Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to like button down to the ground, you know what I mean? Well, it's the first time watching the channel, you know where you go. Please do subscribe, like and share. You know, we are trying to go 100k. That's why I say we don't play. We are putting work upon work and move upon move with a post. So if you appreciate the movements, tell a friend, get some subscribe to the channel. We want to go 100k. That more have a Christmas gift. I don't know go want 100k by Christmas. We have a couple months can wait, said we. So we are doing some shooting and now in Imania says people release a movie here, bright and early. Let's go. The one name Beer and Salt. Watch it and leave a comment, you know what I mean? Entertain is a must. Let's go. Alright. Me are looking to more one of the place when I shop them from the plaza. You know, long time work here, but they have some money for me. You know what I mean? So, we could have worked out that thing on the part, you know. You lease me, give me the place we want 5 to 6 years and we just put out the money. We have to me differently. You know what I mean? So, first you have $1 million and half me. So we just work with a deal. You want, like at least then. You know, give it 4 or 5 years. You know what I mean? Don't worry about crime, we just try to get some crime from somebody. You know what I mean? Because I have a youth on the way. Some of that one will say, even that, maybe the mother could have go and do. You know when the time right. You understand? So we could have take the time, put in some infrastructure in it. You know what I mean? So that can work differently. You know what I mean? You know, beer in the fridge here.
That's not a bad idea still. But what are they? It depends on which one I shop I want, you know. Because some of them occupied, you know. So I have to tell me which one specifically at all.
Well, I tell you when I downstairs one them. Because I told tenant them so they move out. You know, because one of them build one place themselves, so because one good spot so somebody can make today, you know what I mean? So one of them elevate themselves so they go move the spot and go at the yard part, then build the location, make sure it's for themselves. So I don't want to do the same thing, just I can start off myself and I can get up myself. You know what I mean? So when I downstairs them, because food I go do, you know. You know what I mean? A long time I don't cook, but you know, I know so when I cook, people eat them 10 finger and I don't eat them total. You know what I mean? And you know what to. Yeah man.
Alright then, maybe go eat the one downstairs.
Alright, so a good news that I don't have to talk much. You know what I mean? So, what more I do still? I have to go tell the baby mother nothing. But now she put up on herself what she will do what she will do. But just keep that and just and quiet. I work on the shop. I mean, so when she have baby now and she in her body heal up, we can show her something. 1.5 to 3 times being. You know what I mean? Even if she start right there and I know who are the boss. That's smart if I find her already still and make sure just want to work there. That means that she won't get too cockatoo and maybe run it down. If you think that smallest business, maybe she run it good. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so that's a good news to get that out of the way. Where say? You can't want 2 beer out of the fridge, man. No fridge can't drink. That drink are stripe, like you know that I might drink, you know.
Well, you know, say not to with the fridge right now because other day my family them pass around and clean out the whole of the fridge. But tomorrow I'll get some stuff, man. So you can pass through tomorrow and you get 1 6-pack because a long time I work for me, man. You see me?
Well, if that, you know where you go. So I go now because she alone the woman nightfall, you know what I mean? So after the day it's just alright. You know what I mean? No man pregnant them miserable, but the one not too miserable though. When I did I make you see her still, you never see her yet. When I did the carrot too. Alright?
This one just Bring her through in there.
Alright, let us sell.
Right.
Alright, you know my husband comes to me and I like that.
Alia. Oh, well. What you want?
But then, I'm going to take it easy over me yard, sit down, I watch two TV and listen me come over here, go and check you. Where I deal with differently.
You know, so me there, I just done clean up the place, so I just want to sit down and cool off with a babe.
So all along you tell me say you have an apartment. I never know say this big it be, so how much room there Penny?
You know, see a 9-bedroom there on the door, kitchen, bathroom, everything. Every room have their own bathroom and kitchen and so on.
Backside, so you go on. So wait there. So you alone say this a big place, yeah? You're not afraid?
No man, me not afraid. Sometimes my family then come over come stay, even when I fly out of them, I live in charge of the place same way, so I'm not really afraid.
You know, say other day me over my yard do and me I think about it and I say, so how you do if you get this a place here? What kind of job you used to do?
You know, say the reason why I'm going to explain this to you or tell you this because I respect you as a young lady. But how me come by this you know? A funny story. Because street me used to work, you know.
What do you mean by streets?
Street, sell things on the street, roadside, people pass and me if you open remote and I shout and I say, buy one, get one free or whatever, roadside.
Like where did I sell?
Like, you know, every little thing I could catch. Soup, ground food, and sometimes like me go a town go buy the cheap and clean them and come back and sell them for a normal price and so off.
Oh.
Yeah, them the business and even one time I try one like a shop business and let's sold it on the roadside. If you go and sell, but I find out say so they are thief out the money, he never used to give me everything we sell. So me just do quit the shop business and go back on the roadside, then me get one little job for fly out. So
Let me ask you a question now. You have a shop business, right? How you combine for have that the shop there? Like the money you make off of the road, you invest in a business or something like that?
you know, say how me come buy shops with me, same roadside selling. Me they sell soup, yam, fish, everything me couldn't catch me sell. Until me hear say one land I sell cheap, so me buy this land until and go back on the road, go sell on the road until me can have as much money for take time, build the shop until the shop done now. And me get one little job overseas and me fly out. And when me fly out now, me come back and finish the shop and stock the shop now and I shop with a shop business help me build a big old house here right now. You know.
You really start
And you see the main thing when I on the road, what you have to do with the money? You see if you make 40,000 or 50 today, best thing you do is save 30 and spend 10 and take a look at time, max out to 10,000 each a day or 500 and so come you gonna reach somewhere in your life. You have to save your money, man.
Well, thanks to tell me all of that still, I really appreciate it. But, you know, say, I don't really have a job right now still. I do my yard kickback and I send a lot of application and then like, if people never get back to me, I know. And right now, I'm on my face. I don't have a job. And I really want a job right now. So, I don't even know what I could do.
Well, the best advice me for you right now, you know, if you do me, they do, you know. Even right now, if I go up on the road and do what me I do, it probably give you better than what me have right now. And then if you do, just put your mind to it, no listen to when nobody say. If they even over there say chatter you there, so ignore them. Don't make nobody bring you down. Because you know, say you, anything you make, it's going to be for you and nobody can say you got thief here, you got this or you got that. And you work hard for it. You understand me? So you can just try, man, and see how it work out for you. Trust me, it'll go better for you more than what. That'll give you bigger than what you give me.
So, alright then, thanks to everything, you see me? We take a check and stuff, so. I'll go over and see what we can do. I still want to think about it. Here? I said before, I really like the place, yeah? I come in the kitchen, look good. I take a glimpse of the bedroom too. Nice and clean and turn the light.
You've got thanks, man.
Keep up the good work still, come on.
Alright.
Jammy pussies. Be a puss, yard full of puss. And I don't have a puss. Mama, I don't want you put on them broomstick. You see, come see broomstick. Yeah. You see the broomstick right here, so post your job. Over this broomstick when you are going to say no, we will be picking in your belly. But yo, have more careful, you know. Man, you have to do better than that. Keep broomstick on us.
Oh, what the bed and take up the broomstick?
Just like we've been and take it in a night time, what do you have?
Yeah, because you have to take up the broomstick. Or the broom. Or the map put you if I want no job.
What the baby do? But no, we have to squeeze the baby so get too close.
If not, squeeze!
You too close to come on. You better, you must have feel it's not here that pressing head. Apart from head, no.
I'm not sure.
Okay, head not down now, so you know, come on, head down now, so you know. So we can keep my head up.
So how may I push him out if him head no down there, so?
Don't put him head down there. What take him out, your belly? What take him out? You take him out. You check if a boy put him first. If a girl put him in, you see if a girl pit me, he come out that way there. If a boy, take
so
him out.
So I say, if a boy a C-section, what we do?
Yeah.
Oh,
If a boy go big, you can't manage it. I tell you, they will have to take him out. I'm want him come out naturally. Yeah! Rastafari, but that must come out and say, turn it down to the ground. Anyway, how's the day though?
alright, so far.
Oh, you're a real good woman. If you're pregnant, you still have to dinner celebrate.
Good job though.
How you take care of?
Yeah, man.
That's why we buy a good gold ring. So I said, I don't try to measure your finger first though. We buy the gold ring and I can't go pay my finger.
Your finger get fat.
Every part of you get fat, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. We're on the first, yeah, come on.
Do I just check one? So me never remember.
No, because you have a baby on your head, but me have that on my head to know so that okay, I go somewhere with the pregnant cells and make it. I think so when the belly get real big, I go make it do one of them photography there. The photo, I put on a package there. Where you have
Maternity. I call maternity. I call. Me remember.
no matter what you call a picture of pregnant belly. No matter what they call it. Me just link the photographer. Because link Richard Brown. I make them deal with it. Because they do for them something there. Make a paint of a belly. And every little thing. And just take a good picture. Because the next time you breed again now, you have different picture every time.
Me not plan to have no more.
If you come out vloops and you come out fast, you know, no pain or nothing like, you got children, you got lots of kids. Because that means you make feet. This is a test run. The first one, you have the good so far, you know, sick so much, you sick now and then. Because some people when they're pregnant, they're very sick. So you can cook. And still, you see, you can cook anything most women cannot cook at all. So this is a test run. And you have good so far. Look at your pass with A-max in a pregnancy. So you just kick it out and just push out, push out. So what we have to do?
Dumpling and banana vegetable. You're a favorite.
Yeah.
I know you had to eat meat.
Listen me. Careful. What all you eat meat? For my look around and eat meat again. Right? So still I don't miss nothing for the meat early. See where you cook the veggie chunks. I like meat same way. You know what I mean? So, anyway, what do you think about though? So, I say, I come home early this evening. So, if you want to jump in the bubble bath and give you a massage, you do a good job and more, you know, so I appreciate you, right? So, we know we as man, we have to do the wrong way. We take off your clothes and put on the back. You know what I mean? So, we sorry for everything's there. So I look into myself and say, yo, you have to be a big man about it, man. You have to show the one you love appreciation. So I reach home early today, when I don't cook. You don't go so your choice though. Because you're pregnant, you know what you want to do. You want to go on the road.
By the time me don't cook, me not tired. Because when me don't cook, I have to go wash up the plate them.
You know I wash no plate today. Me I wash the plate them today for you. I tell you. I have to take my stress off for you. And me go wash your jars and everything when you're sick and everything because of my opinion I carry. I wash everything, no worry about nothing. Right? I wash your clothes there. I'm going to say, more you brush your teeth. More beard
But you can't
you.
brush your teeth.
But it don't so hear you up, me have to deal with you. Because I say me, I do want to have to help you now. So now what you say, is it any work with too much here? You do it. Only one work you must settle down, how to push out the baby, maybe water the baby head, make his face come wash when you come out there, because at least this baby look like his face when you wash him. Yeah. More than know that. You understand? Because doctor said this is time we must be more active. Right? You know that. So don't cook. You know, don't wash the plate up, don't wash the plate, but beard you. But with the cool off because they want to heat, some of them want to catch my cold, they catch my cold, so you want to take a time, relax. Then when we take up an hour later, everybody cool down, you drink some cool juice, we take the time and bathe you, give you a good massage. We buy one special oil for you, coconut oil. Then use the cook, but special one. No, rub all over your body. You go moisturize you know, make sure say the joints them, the joints them, man. You know, make you feel nice. Then anything you want after that, you get it, right? If you want loving, you get it. You want ice cream, you get it. You want a piece of cake, you get anything you want, I go and get it for you. If you don't want to travel, I go and get it for you and carry back to you, right? Alright, so.
Okay.
When we go to just come in and now, I go with a shower. But before I shower, I drink a red side beer and all the vibes, you know what I mean? I suppose in last one, me have a nice vagina. You don't drink no beer, Vandy.
I can't drink beer, I'm pregnant.
Nobody's a test you, alright? Alright. Alright. Oh, drink a beer. Who come out today? A beer back in
Oh, your cousin come in. So maybe I enjoy that live back the
I'm walking back in the fridge.
Empty back in the fridge.
We don't want the boy to come back here, you know. We don't want him to come back here. We let him back right here, so right now, when he come here, I'll pay back feet. And the last beer we have in the fridge, I'm going to drink when we come home. And all the vibes. Look, I'm going to stop and shop and buy one more and say, yo, when we reach him, I'll drink it. Alright, we now to get upset. A lot of them you drink and I boy. There's not like family come to my yard now. They don't know if you have for them come to my yard and just drink. Yeah, watch me on, alright. Anytime you come in there, things that me do not want him here, him do not come in my house, him go back in yard. When I forward, him forward come link me, do not come in there. Me don't want no cousin here.
Alright. No telling.
Alright, so all of you go and cook where I cook. And then later we figure it out.
Alright. Yeah man, go and go beer.
But if you hot bro.
Because my kitchen hot.
Alright. All of you. Go and
Sorry, no sleep. Morning. Wake up, man. Get up. You can come back. You gotta go early and I was missed before.
Oh.
So, Mr. Girl, big mansion, 9-bedroom. And mama go on with things and she tell me the type of job what she used to do. She sell food per roadside. If you come by that the mansion there. That's what I buy. Bill she Billy from scratch. See how you get her go on with things, that's true. So then me look at what they can make big money and build big mansion. They look at time we're there and then at daytime cock up in the house. It makes sense we go up and go sell food to girl and make money. You know sense?
Oh, me and you?
It's why we make good money, girl. And come out of this, yeah.
Hard work enough for me. You know, hear about the two big chopper them up so. It better you take one and me take one. You know, you see a markets them a drive. Me not have time to go do them the little road out there and people look for me and I say, look on that the girl they sell soup or cook a roadside. They have money. So if you interested, me and you can dress up hot and go look them.
No, me not do that. It no matter the type of job what you do. It based how much money you make. And that what they can reach for, girl. Me no depend on no man money. And the reason why I know say that they work they make money is because always a person like this, she fire out every minute. And that they work they make sure do all of that. So about we Nothing wrong with that work then, my girl.
Well, I the chopper man them if you have. Me not have time to go beat off my hand on the roadside. If you interested, tell me. Them they me not say nothing wrong with them, you know, but them they are not feel. Come on, man, we are hot girl.
You stay me want it, cause
We are going to say we are market girl. We are not market girl, we are hot girl.
When time they call market girl, they must see you amount of things we get out of the market and they want to follow we, you go see.
All you saying can fly out, me I tell you say chopper man them can make we fly out to a chopper man meeting there.
Chopper man, you think they might think they're chopper man though, sorry.
So you tell me say, you want to sell a roadside and you could have there driving a markets in a AC, you go a KFC.
Hello, Ali a drive to you know? You got a drive crown. And look here, me and your best friend, but if you tell the honest truth, I don't want to say I depend on a man money. You see me? Work your honest bread. Don't depend on no, but me and your best friend, I want to see the best for you.
Me and your best friend, yes. But on everything you are going to do, me I go follow. So you go do your work, me go look my man. Because me now go come follow you sell on our roadside.
Alright then, do it. I can't tell you what you do still.
So you're really going to sell on road for you?
Nothing is wrong with that. I go back on the road and I carry on me very insist. Sorry. Later.
Yo, me and your family, you know. But certain things me nah put up within a youth. Me I tell you one thing. When you come and iron a yard, you see one beer in my fridge and you drink it. Eh? What kind of man you pay for? Yo, listen to me. So when I come in from work, you know, and I reach in at the fridge to drink a Red Stripe beer, none of the death for me. Yo, don't come up yard, you know. When me not be there, no come there. I come here, no go in my fridge, daddy. No go no, yo, you see yo? Yo, me not made nothing, you know. What time you want the same thing? You come here see rum, you drink out the rum. You come here see food, you eat out the food. Youth. It's not a supermarket, Marina say no. It is a woman pregnant. Does she a breeder? Does she impregnated? Listen me, yo. Do not ramp with me, yo. Yo, now come here, come here with the things them, daddy. Go look walk. The roadside a big out all your hand middle and you not think about work. So I'm hungry. I'm here they reach. Right? You not do that youth. Me your cousin, me your family. We don't want customer food. Mama no grow with the way there. But you are putting you go from bad to worse now, man. One beer, me have in the fridge and me plan for the beer. I say when I reach in, I go drink that and I will advise. Yo, you not do that again, you. You hear me, sir? Let me introduce no beer in the fridge. That will drink it then. And be able to drink it. Our next man come here. Youth, me know say you're the only person come and come and people not tell no lie. You in there? You in there, right? Yo, me said beer when day night, yo, me just buy beer last night. In a pool or nothing, man. You take some more time. Listen me, no beer never. Yo, come on phone. Come on phone, yo.
What are you doing here?
I'm going to check for you know there.
You know you're not there.
I go over. I cook.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
phone.
Ready? How are you, girl?
Me there, it's on hot man. Man, somebody come take me out.
So, when I make it tour, we go try line up with something so we did talk about other day. Sell on the roadside or make some money.
You know, hear me say me not the blessed the girl. I want a chopper man. Why you want to come here roadside go disgrace me?
Girl, that is not disgrace. In the longer run, you're going to make a lot of money out of that the business there. More than you depend on man money. Girl, I'm not them something there. I tell you the honest truth. It's either you're going to do it or you're going to depend on man. And which me not want that for you because you're my friend. I'm not want nobody to chat about oh, bro, this, that a man chef you depend on girl. Work honest bread. Care do it better off. Way better off.
You ever hear about something named woman pension? Anything a man give you after you hit, they can't take it back, right? You're something give you hit. So me not in a go sell a roadside. Them they sitting there now make me no money.
Look here.
Me go turn up in a sun hat and burn out me look color.
I like off the engine, man. Can you know how full of money, man? I want to pay the gas down the buy back. How you dealing?
Yeah.
How you come find out? How you dealing?
I say me shot.
Bingo, me just bingo, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Dog just have a big food, man. I mean, man, I celebrate, man. What you say, found, man?
Yeah, found.
No, you think come down in a brick farm, bricks, you know, man.
How will they talk to? Girl, it makes sense and I say nothing to me right now. Me go up on the road, go work my honest money, you can't go with a chopper friend and sorry.
You calm down your friend, mama.
Oh, me no want no outer life, and you no want no outer life. Come and time for them scam money done more. Go see what you
Mama, we think large, you know, look out this market,
yes,
major,
you think so large too.
You fool.
Yo, come on, brownie.
You want this little man?
Come on. No, thing come down.
I don't like Shelly alone. Me too. So it can go both ways, you know. You see me?
Aliyah, come here, please. Open the door.
What's a common?
You know, say, maybe I think about something that
Sister, I'm not sure.
no, but alright.
I'm so tired.
Because the farm I walk from. Maybe I say, it's something they're talking about other day about the roadside selling or something. Maybe I think about it and I say, why not try it? But if me go try, me don't have no pot. Me can provide the food items, but me not go start off big because you know, say me not really left or nothing, you know. So just ask if I could like lend me a pot if you have any at the moment. We can start up my business, please.
Yeah, man, that's no problem. You don't need a pot and a spoon, didn't you? Understand? So you can just look at this as one big tall pot and one soup spoon like that. So that maybe can work, man. Not soup, because it's not that big.
No, that's
yeah.
yeah, man, thanks. Good spoon.
Yeah.
So, me start off selling some soup and something. Me make it know how it work out.
Yeah, man, me always come to come by the go that song.
Alright then. You better come by and work out. I carry you.
Alright.
Alright then, later, thanks. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Then I call up back and do.
Oh.
Let's go over.
I'm going to say the love.
Alright.
Girl, you're serious, man.
I tell you, I'm serious. Nobody take me serious, though. How are they going?
Oh, the way you done, man. Come
Come
in,
on,
man.
France. Give me two then.
2?
Yeah.
Sure, you want more than 2?
You must say serious like a judge.
Yeah, girl. You have to go on, you know.
So I decided you want me out here do. Eh?
Nothing wrong with that.
Yo, if you ever that part with a 3 backline, with up on the 3rd backline.
3rd backline? Sorry. Rum can't full belly.
Feel like everything a baby thing.
Sir, I wasn't talking to you. Sorry.
Make sure that she come and she'll get something to drink.
I know my business,
A
that.
KFC, you go later.
Low
Yeah?
Oh, no, go on and
How much your soup? Because
much of the soap, like why you? No, me was
Yeah, hold on to one defect and keep it change.
Sorry, you can't fling the
come
money
on.
like that. Don't do that.
Come on, make your friend know something me. So here.
You see how you're next time, make you look dirty nasty
Yo,
fat
come on,
boy
yo.
come and
Should have
style
fire
me.
with me, I should have
Yo.
fire with
You
you,
make you
man.
look a fat
Come on,
boy
come
come
on.
and style me and me and your friend.
Money boss.
Hey, I'm
me say,
looking
yeah.
for see why, man.
Yo, make your friend know something.
You black and come like a hog. Talk to me nice. A youth, man. True. If I do my slap, I'm going to take one time when me there, so I make no, you know, me no busy about the man in salary. As long as me I make me money. As long as me I make me money. One course, at least me I get the money. Why? Where you going?
I can check it for you first day if you see how you're going.
Oh, if you tell the truth, me make a couple sales for morning and it's really rough because it seems like someone out to say if you take disrespect from people.
That me tell us say, don't make nobody say nothing for you bring you down. You have to just do what you have to do and shut your eye tight and do it, man. Nobody ever follow
I just
people
get a
and get up.
disrespect in my life.
No follow people, man. Just do what you do. But so
I
how
feel
things
they
are
feel
work
money
out
for
for
me
you?
like say I beg them.
So you go.
So where I deal with differently, you good?
Yeah, me just tell me I can check to see how you're
You
going.
want a cup of soup?
No, so I don't really want no soup right now. But
Me know what they charge you, you know?
no, a business you run, you know, learn to give you things. If it
Cause you man, you give me pat me doesn't
no
say me give you one
matter,
cup
I
of
coulda even Jesus, you have to collect your money for it.
soup.
You
Alright
hear?
then.
But me I come over here tomorrow come buy some soup for you, man. Cause me have some people who can buy some soup, you see me?
Alright.
Yeah. So we link again.
Yeah.
Just take time do your thing, man, and don't make nobody say nothing to you.
Alright.
Alright.
I'll put 2 more. No. The soup is good for you there. Yeah. Good curly.
God. I work with a boss, I can't count me work with. Well, my friend,
Me there, you know, I'm gone.
I first me see a business, you can just open up it.
Yeah, man, me just open up, man, and it's going good so far. Yeah, so you want a soup?
Yeah, man, me try to get a soup, cause come on, if I work and I'm on that yard, but the price are, cause I know to a rice shop up. My lunch pan, come on, no, give me that cup. I want to that. But before that, wait there now, before you share it. The boss. Yeah, you know, I pay there. And the boss can check.
You can check.
5 times 5. Wait no. 6 times 5. How much you get? Can you say, oh, 5,000 a day. Wait. 5,000 a day. Right? And he give me 35,000. I'm rolling go work. 60 a week.
You're confusing. Go on again.
Me I work 60 a week
Alright, 60.
at $5,000 per day.
How much you
And then give me 35.
So you give me 5, and you give me 5 grand then?
Can you say, oh, 5 grand a week, 5 grand a day, 35 a week, you work 60 a week, 5 grand. I realize, but it's messing on team. Anyway, that good enough,
It's good?
Yeah,
Alright, I say money, okay, you say good.
yeah man.
But you cover can't.
No, I saw me lunch pants. And nearby me. Alright, so,
The money.
I'm not take card out yet. You know a card machine.
Me have to really look for you good.
Alright.
Alright. Thanks.
Alright.
Alright, look more. Enjoy your soup.
Alright.
See you next time.
I'm going to test you, and if it's good, you know so you have a regular customer.
Alright.
Alright.
Adios. You know what? Oh, God. Because money make today, you as much make your buy next one. No. Listen. Me say amount of money when me make today. 90, we make 90 grand, right? And somebody come and say they want some change because I'll be a US they have. So, me give her one of my change and take one of the US, you know, so US money and then now.
Yeah.
So, you know, so I'm going to be things, you know. So, it's a 90 grams, so I'm trying to buy a pot.
Listen to me, Brittany, I'm moving fast, slow down. You don't have to buy no pot, buy something else. Take the pot, man. Me give you a pot, me never lend you the pot. I gave the pot to you.
You go to take?
Yeah, you can take the pot, man, and start a business. You come to me and say you want advice, I want help to start. So, I give the pot, me never say be careful, man. Take the pot, man.
Me never know how me never know
Buy something else. You must say something out there where you want to help with the business. And next thing again, after 90,000, show partner, save your money. You understand it? Save your money. Because if you're not saving it, you can't reach us, you know.
So the people, they say they're so bad. Must say, wait, they say they,
All you have to do now, buy a couple fish.
one girl come buy the soup and she tastes it. She say, you know what, I'm not about that. She said, I'm right beside her, she drink and she buy and she drink and she buy and she drink.
Yeah, man.
Till she barely full, she just say, you know me, I go and she say, she got she had.
Yeah, it's time for you, man. Because I can't go good for you, you just have to just trust.
Me know say, it don't go good, but me never know say this good, it would have go.
Yes, and I one day.
Now one day,
Imagine how if you are a week.
You know?
So just take the pot, man, and buy something else. Buy somewhere in need. You understand?
Thanks.
Alright, man, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, come buy one cup of soup for you.
Alright then, thanks. I'll see you guys. Yeah. What are you going?
Yeah, man.
They're good?
No, long story first. Where you get so much money from?
You mean where me get so much money from? But did I tell how much money have in your pocket? You have money for you?
Yeah, no money. Dog soon come chop off piece of food, man.
Oh, that's so. And this how me make coffee selling soup. 90,000 this.
Let me see you sell out this today.
90,000 making a one day. Imagine making this in a week or more. Eh?
No, sir. But
You see me there, you see me there I tell her though, you see if I did follow me talk with that outlet. And this money I could split in a half. Or I get a own pot and do what you do, I get my own pot and do what I do.
you still not sell out this.
You still not sell out there? Alright then. You up to you and I'm not force you.
Buy my drinks, man.
Buy your drinks after your friend called disrespect me today.
I saw him go,
No,
man.
I saw him go.
I'm telling them man they depend their money, you know.
They depend their money, but they depend my money now. So I'm afraid to disrespect anybody I feel like. But look here, I say something to you. Me and your friend, this is somebody that disrespect me. At least put them in their place and say, yeah, my friend that friend here, you know. You just know the boy, you don't know him from nowhere. Yeah, this me for him.
Yo, me I tell you, we did high. You know, say I tree back
Oh,
like this, we are drink.
oh, man,
Right
I
now,
never
we
see.
still,
I didn't see.
Still high.
You
My
still
mom
high?
going to sleep and something.
Then go on.
They can't just buy me
No,
aspirin or something.
this I have to invest in my business. To put back in the business, I have to save. You said the dog can drop a piece of food look more. So when you drop a little piece of food look more, you have money in your pocket. So wait on that. Because that is your job and I do my job, you do your job. You see me? So the way you feel like do.
Alright
then.
Because me had a hot man, you have spending too much party.
Yeah man, go and go sleep. Wash your face. And drink some water. Let me take disrespect to get this money here. I don't know how to eat Friday.
Hello.
Oh, I'm gone.
I come and find side hook.
Okay, so what we can do for you today?
Can I soup here today now, miss?
Chicken foot.
What price thing go?
$2 a cup.
You want a cup now? Hold on, come and see what. Catch me next time, you know?
just have a look at bill for me. I look tired though, like I taxi I took again this morning, man.
The man tax never take every month go to me.
You know tired of taxi thing?
Tired of it, body.
You know what I'm saying? I don't know how your budget set in, but just a suggestion. You know what I'm saying? I want to look at car sell on AD for 450, but
450.
but a second.
Something better.
I hit me though, say a second hand. I like how you miss me rate your hustling, so I could have give you around 4. But I don't know how your budget stay, none at all.
If you tell the truth, that would have good, you know. That would have good for me get one car. But obviously how my budget set the truth. Like when I go here, me just check off some money and see how much me have and me tell you tomorrow or me take a number and call you. What your number?
38.
Yeah. That was something on the phone. Here you go.
38.
38
26
26
111.
111.
Just let me know, man. Call me if anything, man. Cause I love the look also in what you do, believe me.
Alright then.
Alright, take care of yourself, yeah?
Alright. Thanks, City.
No problem.
Alright. Oi. I had a part already, me asked her for you, cause I have to me half a race so per year is there, because I go pay rent today.
A month in now? No, sir.
You mean if I'm month in?
You know, say, chopper boy, they feel like me now give me a money, I know, you know what I call him.
Sorry, what I call him?
You know, say so month in come on, they didn't even fly fast.
You're really flying fast.
Oh.
Well, go on.
Me there, I will say when me get that thing there.
Yo, we want to tell us, I didn't know we on the side there, in the car. More running for me, you see me, I be a hypocrite there, me there, you know. So, them send more upon me, so I have to lift up, I didn't know we don't have now.
So, you can't ever send the money or nothing can get it because I have to pay my rent in a month time, you know.
I have to lock down your 2 phone them money, see me, so you can't send off no money. I tell us more car, my thing will slow down, so anytime as I free up, I send you a big money, you know my thing go already, you know.
Alright, B, that's your word.
Yeah man, that's your word, you see me?
Alright, you good though?
Yeah man, that's why not even so me to call, you know, because I not even want them know.
You know how chopping things that already now. You gave me a few undercover, alright, big up, right?
Alright.
You must say you know no money.
You know no money, not true. You know no money.
Sis.
You see, no, sis.
Me have friends.
Me can't cover you. Me not say me not cover you, no, but me say something to you before that take place. The longer time I tell us, look here, me it all do the business together. No, it's all like my pride. You got this, you got that. You see, if I did do I see my pride that down, more people even know me. And next thing, later I have a surprise for you. So, me I come up on the road and now, so me link you back and stuff. So, just gonna take it easy. Just make sure that later you have the rent money here. Okay. And I always have pity for you, always. I always let me down. I don't know why. I always let me down.
Money out the salon.
One.
This is something I tell about, man. AD special edition.
That's good.
Look, man. Yeah, man. Wind up and go down. In the car, look. Look, man. Tell me if you like how you look.
Yeah, man.
Sit down on the seat now, man. Feel how you feel, man. I say I soon feel, you know.
Alright.
I see you like it.
You done good, man.
Alright. As me done tell you everything already, so if you want right now we can go sign out the paper them.
Right now.
Right now. You don't want your foot now.
You want your foot now, but I don't sign the paper them right now. Alright then, I'll do that then.
Yeah man, do it man. Cause I mean I worry if I'll get rid of it too, you know.
Alright then, so.
Oh, you know.
Yeah, but you can't look at something like that, so.
We don't take no time man. Nobody not thief on soap pot. Come on.
Yeah, then, make a call first, wait.
Alright.
Alia?
Yeah, what going?
Me there, something I did want you do for me. You busy?
No, sorry, I'm really busy.
You could have come watch me staff for me there, please. Or something. I just want to go paperwork me I go sign up and all for one car.
Yeah, man, me can come back, man.
Alright then.
Yeah man, we don't take no time.
Alright.
Yeah.
I say, am I forward?
Yes, she go forward. You can't wait until she come because I don't want to leave right here, so.
Yeah, we do that man, no problem.
I'm not really far from you, so she lives still.
No
So she
problem,
is so
no
forward.
problem. So I kind of soap here today.
Gonna soup?
Yeah.
Well, I know say a conch soup.
So I drink conch though.
You drink conch?
No. So, where do you the money around, not sure?
Yeah man, set time.
Alright.
Paperwork, money, everything.
Alright. I don't really no rush, you know, because I know you are good smile. But you know,
Come on.
you can go bank and leave it all.
See area? Alright, Alia. Come on, give me your gun, man.
I told me that I'll be there. I don't wrap up in the night, come out, see me.
Oh, yeah.
Just go and sell for me. You know the price already, you always buy.
Okay.
Alright.
Like,
So let's go and watch you and sell for me.
Oh, you are a good friend, man. You want soup to drink?
No, sir, I'm a good man.
Oh, but that buy you one. Come on.
Yeah, it's all food, so we just
Alright.
Alright, me still come back here.
Alright.
When you come back, I go to the fair friend and pull up in this.
Oi.
What's up? You come back.
This a carrier. No, sir. I said
Oh,
brake shop.
That's you.
Yeah, park bad.
That's you just get used to it, man. Just
One time I done, me set it later.
I reverse back so then, man.
I must say cause it. Wait.
Jeez.
Me soon got a hang of it still. Cause you know I'm just buying and stuff.
It look nice to you. The wall look sharpen up, isn't me?
Wow, wash off. Put on a little activate up something on it and stuff. Cause
Well, I'm here to do a give you a big hug right now. We're proud of you, man.
thanks, cause you make me do all of this and reach this far in my life. Cause trust
Proud of
me,
you.
if me never do this right now, I don't know what I do. God know.
I don't stop till I reach big, you know. No stop, I say, you know. Don't make nobody. Make them see I drive a big car and still I sell soup on the roadside.
Elevate.
Don't make nobody know say I have money. When they say
You make no sale since we gone?
yeah, we make up a sale over there, so I put your money in under this. So
Alright.
I'm saying, yes, when you're just like a rich people rap you. Just like our poor people now and then if you see you don't have no money.
That's true. But thanks for your advice. You see me, I really appreciate that. 100%. So yeah.
You know what you do now? Build your house now.
That me I think but cause rent now work for me, trust me.
Build a house now, man. That's all you need to do. Build a house. Build a mother house. Just build a house and see if things don't
Me think me just build a one house, like you have a big apartment, just build a big apartment
and
with
family
mother.
them come over. Just like what me do. That me do to you.
Come out, didn't have her house already and stuff still. She want to come over, she come over, so yeah.
But we just hope everything go well for you.
Yeah, man.
As we said, we pray for your daytime and nighttime, you know, you see it? Car driving. You can pack up
I
your
can't
things
wait for reach over here and straight to running. God know.
She was jealous of you.
I don't know.
We are, through me had to see Moti and say, I help you wash one pot or sell one cup of soup. And your
Good
friend, she
said
should
them
have
life
out
there and I fear she come buy soup from me. I think 2 times or 1 time. 1 time or 2 times. I think yeah, one you come over 1 time come buy soup from me.
You should have their own style, so we do a go and fry 2 fish on the side and make
And by the end of the day, when time, me do all of that, then now when me go in, she want money from me.
No.
Me tell her say the
the only
money.
one here, me don't like a chichi here.
Me
Don't
tell
be
her
down
say.
dry boat for no chichi.
Me tell her say. The money I have to put towards the business and I have other things to take care of. I have to save my money. That's what I said to her. But she said that she begs over the situation still. But
I'm proud of you, Brittany.
you cannot ask me to listen. This is like I'm running. You say I scare my girl. One girl now want to walk. Till she pay her rent, right? Because till the rent due. Me tell her say, make sure so by the time I reach him back, they have the money. She come and tell me about me and her best friend must can help her. She called the man and the man. The man, me go over here. Me hear the conversation on the phone. My man there chatting. You know, so film phone never load and stuff. So the man must see us a more running pan him and wonder the same thing. So you can't if you send her
You
the
don't
money.
business with fear of rent. Pay your rent and focus on your dreams here. Focus on your dreams. All you have to do, try give Browning some good advice and see if you not take them, I feel problem.
For me? Me try as much. Me no know what else to do. Trust me. Me try with her. So where you say I go there now?
Anyway, me I can't go over. But
Drink
God,
several and
you. Yeah, come here, one ice in there.
Alright then, look more.
Alright.
Aye. When I stay for your next hour, so then we go in. Yeah. What a go on? Oh, there's something to it. What one?
I'm cooking Carolina.
Girl, I'm my carrying this, and this is the surprise I'm there to tell about from morning.
Sure. So, how will you get money for buy car?
The same something I tell about, the same. Selling on the street, we don't want to do. Take a good look.
Yeah, tell me say.
How you like
How
it?
much money I make so you can go buy car?
Yeah. Me there tell about it, but I never want to do it. So I do it, and now, see that, me make something on myself.
You know I'm change my mind.
You change your mind?
Me I come out the council to but me not sell no soup. Me I come make curry crab.
Curry crab?
Curry crab me I come sell.
Alright then. You can do that. Me I go, oh, you want somebody? Yeah. Let me see. Cause friend there, me did I drink it still. Yes, say them.
Nice, me girl.
Yeah man, nice, it's true.
Me have to get one of them. Man.
Get one. If you just say if you just say go, but get one, and I say go. You have to have the money if you get one.
So me not come out the council to man so you can get the money to buy one.
Nice guy. Me I come go in still, so what you say I do? Is it ready?
You know so you can come buy 2 burger.
What? Hello? My money now go so. No burger.
Alright.
You not cook things that I house you cook.
We
We can fry 2 dumpling and eat 2 and eat something mackerel. Go on. Not because I have money that means I buy a burger. Not because. Alright. So all of
So you
that.
have no money left for.
No worry about if me have money left, but me ask you a question now. The chopper man now link you back yet. Cause the lady need her rent money. And today have to pay.
Don't worry about that. He don't link me back yet. Friend me say he won't link me, he won't link me.
Then when you tell, what man say on the phone? The man say he don't know when he go get the money because what? He cannot send the money to you to you right now because more can depend on
So tell me
case.
something now. Me and your friend, look how long me know you, me and you live together.
We are friends.
So if me come to a time when me not no money, you can't catch me up. You have money and now, so you can go and pay for me until you give me your money.
Oh, say,
Let your friend go.
I say you want to live. I say you want to live rent free. I say you want to live. Not true. No, baby love. You have to work for what you want in this life. In that time, you have to work for what you want.
I do say.
And you say you want chopper man to get chopper man.
Hear me out, hear me
No,
out,
chopper man
hear me
can't give you no money.
Alright, lend me your money. Just hear me, I say. Lend me your money so I can go buy pan and something them first going start sell like you. Just please, me I beg you. Help me out as a friend. Just give me a starter. If him do send me money, me can pay you back before that. If he not send me, we can pay you back out of business money. How that sound?
You know, sound true, but no, but me kind of have up over something still for a longer time. When I make him man diss me, that me I look back and I say, me and your friend, you really make the man diss me. Me still think about all that, you know.
Me I tell her say, I fool, that's when they have money they ain't go on. And me wrong with that.
But me have money and me not go on, so me have money now.
Alright.
You see me behave like that?
No. So they chop your
Me
time.
still bring something for you, say, because you love Hennessy, so I carry Hennessy for you. You love sweets.
Alright, just lend me. You will lend me money so I can start out on the thing.
Me lend you.
Alright.
Yeah, me lend you rent money as well. Come here, go in. Take up my car key. Oh Lord Jesus. Me I come go out there.
You them all on them bag me I take out me I come with you to where me. You buy something them you know. Buy everything. You pick up everything on my house. Yeah, the bag with me. I mean I come put out my stall girl. I don't want to make money too. You see you coming with car, I want to drive car too.
No sir. Look at who so they know how to do it. I know. Look at who I pop back for the work.
Working day today, come in work.
Alright, come on. I'm not run you.
Me have you now.
I'm not up on you. Me are late to go this morning.
Yeah, please, right. Alright, come on.
Oh, back side. You don't know about it.
Oh, you wash your clothes.
Bye. Come. Somebody visit up one next fire side here. Because maybe after I visit somebody else, but maybe already say, yeah, come do something. So,
Yeah.
I just make you use this side of them because maybe already I'm trying to do something funny. When people do just get started, you know, take out the other part out there so you can use that the part there. Sure. Part for frame. Yeah, chair.
Go and turn up in a few meantime.
You can buy some chair. Look, me get one black or something, sit down and I get one next chair.
car again. I go fall.
And the car for the...
No, sir, yeah.
We have curry crab and something. Roast soup.
No,
No, man.
we have crab.
No soup.
Soup. Soup have.
Yeah.
Can't trust one of them because I'm not too strong today.
Because you're a regular customer, I know you pay money.
Yeah, we must say right down and say me alright.
You know what part to live too. So, okay, I'm going around. And I think I would have really run off with that soup.
No?
Tell a friend them say best curry crab upon the block, you know, here, sir?
Alright.
Yeah?
Alright then, later.
Brown curry crabs.
You good? Oh Lord. Have mercy.
Yeah, mother. Curry crab.
It wasn't me not too fussy crab, no.
Come on, you want to taste when I part of them? Pa.
I don't know nothing about crab.
Curry crab, let's try it, man.
Alright, good day.
$500 plate.
I'm a kind of for you.
Plate, $500 plate.
Yeah.
Then I
$12 for one.
no.
Alright, what you saying? Soup.
What kind of soup?
Kong soup.
Conch. Lord Jesus.
You want
I'm
it?
not loving that seed though. Anyways.
You want
Yeah,
it?
yeah, yeah.
How much try? Eh? How much try? For $2.50 a cup.
Okay. Maybe next time.
Tell a friend them say brownie have the best curry crab around the corner now.
Here.
Alright, respect.
Good. Let's see how thick it is. I'm not gonna if it change. To you.
Don't dare me out here, I can't make no sale. Everybody a come and buy from you. Eh?
Because
But me don't want the money
the out a good time and I want them know me. So yeah, I can't have a problem with that. If they out at this time, when time me the out for them longer time, because if come sell with me.
They all know me pack no half. I know you can't half. Come in, General.
Where you go?
Curry crab.
I'm some night crab do auntie. Where else can I cut them?
Kung Fu. Wagwan.
I like Kong soup be there now. They are still so I pass through.
Members.
No
Crab,
curry.
no, I not eat crab. It smell good enough, get me wrong, but I not eating none at all.
So Wagwan, a good.
Yeah, I pass me there, I pass. How business I go?
It a go good, all the car the car go on good too.
Say
So-
that man.
Where say you want a soup or not?
No, my boss say I not eat conk. Allergic. Need to conk
So I
right
feel
now.
like say so you can that's what they're buying for.
Yeah, but you want conk soup?
Yeah, let me get one of them there.
Yeah, on the feet. How much have you remember some man? How much for?
Eh?
Tell her,
250. Yeah, for you.
just keep it change.
Boxer, hey! Alright boy, go out yourself.
School man. So you say you can't go down thing?
How many up runnings?
You don't fear that man.
So you can buy one plate of crab from me, man.
And a fear,
How
and a
much you
fear,
got?
and a fear.
3 bills.
I catch you one next time. Remember, that's me. Yeah, we catch you next time.
Alright David, come on.
Take care.
Yeah man.
Oh,
You can figure out the direction where you come from.
I told you you're tight. That's why
Yo. Throw back a soup in the pot and give me money for your soup, yeah?
You may have things. It already already can't throw it back.
Nobody know there. Just...
No, unless I go throw it in, but throw it.
Me now make this. Money, man.
No, the man already pay for it already. You don't want it, so you throw it back. You cannot get the money, sorry.
Alright, you see, because I have no money and I go pay me money, me rent again, so it will eat.
You rent again, how are you so sure about that?
Curry crab! Come in, General. Curry crab!
Face the door.
I know that's what I said, them are okay enough for me, man.
Sorry, you know, not patient at that. As everybody come, Kirk, wait in the ask when you have man. When you see I'm not supposed to, you know, go and buy. You come this time. Let's see, hold on, this is shit.
So how much money you make?
60 grand.
What?
I think a 63, I think, or 64, one of them.
You only make 3 grand?
Because yeah, maybe I sell the wrong something, maybe not sell things that people want, like what people really need. Maybe if I sell like rice and peas or something, maybe would have a better chance because people love them something. Crab and everybody eat crab.
You mean everybody love crab?
Everybody love crab. And even some people love crab and everybody they name crab from.
What do you mean? My crab is best crab.
Yeah, I said that.
Best crab round town. Everybody are gonna love my crab, just wait. I'm gonna love me, I'll get one nice recipe.
Look here, if you understand, say, and every day I go fast. Some days I go slow, if you just understand that a business I do, you know. Because every day I go to make as much money. At least me ever make I think of 50 grand because people them, some regular customer they know did it, you see me?
50 grand? If me make 50, we soon start making them on this level.
Me have a beard off here, man, so me come back here and come.
Look how small you are. Baby.
Hello, good day. Good day. Alright?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. Some soup here.
Yeah.
So wait there, where money there?
No more money.
Alright then later.
Bye bye.
Bye. And look at something there. Some people come and they don't have money, me still help them, say, do you?
Yeah, that's so. You broke so.
Me broke so. Girl, sometimes I feel like to help out people and everybody has to have it. See, like how you want me to help you out.
I don't
with
have
the
a big
rent.
scars. I've not seen one time somebody come by from me.
I didn't cook enough crab then because don't turn around our waist.
Last week, we used to crab and this week again. I'm telling them curry crab.
I like here, but it's just compatible.
So, about going for you today, man. We're just 10 grand to make.
10 grand?
Mm-hmm.
A good money I make because you left from 3 grand to 10 grand.
So, how much you make today?
I think 83. Alright. Yeah, 83,000.
83. So, when me I go make them the money, they want to make some big money like you want.
Look here. Remember, I'm just going to business, you know. It did up and down. Make a good money today. Tomorrow, make a lower money, you see me? So if you just understand, say, that a business, as I did tell you before, may always talk about this, a business, and every time you chop big food. Some, tomorrow I'll go out there, you'll make one big money, girl, big money, may I tell you about. You just have to have faith and put your trust in your business. And,
yeah, me I put my trust in it, but me I work too hard, man. Every day I go out there,
so me
turn up in a sun hand, and I make 3 grand. If me not make 80 grand and 70 grand, me would have feel good, me would come in and I complain. Eh?
You have to just understand why people ain't want, you see me?
You go out there 1 month and you buy a car already. You buy your license and insurance, and still I go back out there. Me want when me come in, I be a money me and say so. Tell right, man. Let's go do so. Anyways, they call my friend other day and they tell me something. Me go check on somebody. No, not really. I just want work, one other work. Me go look for.
Other work?
Yeah. So I go check a person like evening. I can say only early morning and daytime I must go and check him.
Oh, so you say you're going to work?
Yeah, I want to do.
Alright then, go on.
So, maybe me turn 3 hours up on the road.
3 hours? That means at night you come back then?
No man, but just don't lock the door because I can't find the keys.
Alright then, later. Go off the bed. Tired of
Master kept us.
Me feel the energy. Come.
Morning.
Spin, mama, spin. Yeah, man, spin it. Yeah, man. Too much mileage I follow you, man. Yes, man. Them a try to hold it down.
Yes.
Tell me a problem now.
You know what I say? We start one little business on the roadside, then I sell some little curry crab.
Right.
But me nah make no money, me I make 3 grand 15 bills. In most of them I make out there 10 grand, right? And my friend want to sell beside of me I bet beer money, 100,000, 80,000. Me I say, Devo, me can't even, everybody I go to war, nobody now come to me. You wonder if I hold me down or something. Why me not make no money?
Alright. You know why you not make no money? She a wobble you. Spin your road. She a wobble you.
My what you mean?
Yeah, man, she a wobble you. So you want me to tell you, say, you come to the right place. No fret. Spin your road like me. When say me done with you, every customer come at you. Then now go ask. Don't worry. Alright, stop this one. When you want to make money,
Want make cool.
you want every customer come to you.
More rich.
Alright. Welcome to Black Heart. This is the rich part. We're gonna rich, mama. And when I say rich, you're gonna thinking rich.
More extra rich.
Yeah. But it's gonna cost you. Sing everyone. Let me tell you the price.
You know what I say? Master kept us.
Hmm?
I don't know money I now doing now. When the business up from start make some money, me come pay you.
Mama.
Just stay with me, man.
You think you can go to shop, go trust in your neighbor. You can't go to supermarket,
No,
go
me not trust, man. It's just
So you see,
just give me what he said. If me go there today and start make some money, by tomorrow me can come pay you, man.
you
For
know,
that son.
my job what me doing 100,000. You see that a credit, yeah, credit. You go double. 200,000.
So, me gonna make them the money there?
Yes. Been a roll, man. But there's a problem.
What kind of problem?
If you don't pay me back in time, I'm mad you.
No, you're not mad. Me will pay you back.
I'm gonna run joke when you come on to them work here.
No, man, me will pay you back.
Alright. You see this? When I go there, I start your sell,
Yes.
you sprinkle some round fire pot. So when people and you're gonna sprinkle it, you come so. A 3 stone, yeah. You knock them, knock a 3 stone a field. And you say, no more customer.
So we're gonna stop for your customer.
Right. And then you go over fear part. If you have a mattress box in your yard, you light this. And you drop in the middle of field. And you say, customer, come back.
Customer come back.
Right. Remember, don't mix up.
No.
Let me say if you did this.
Sprinkle it over fear part.
Yeah.
Tap it 2 times. No
Tap
more
it 3
customer.
times. If a cheese stone, stop them.
No more customer.
Right.
Sprinkle it over my part. Tap it. Come back, customer. Come back.
Mama, if you mess up your still home, you know. Me say, sprinkle it over your part. Tap this stone them 3 times. No more customer. Right? That's it.
Oh.
You know, using no more.
Oh, so I'm going to use your for my part.
Yes. Because if you use your fear, you'll stop for your blessing.
Oh.
You light the matches stick and you drop in the middle of fear. If
Oh.
a 3 stones here, where more customer or come back customer.
Okay.
Good. Mark my word. You have 2 days to present the money.
Alright, Master kept us.
Yeah.
No more customer. No more customer. No more customer. Come back customer. More customer. More customer. Oh, you need to make a choice. You know, so only
So long you take on the road?
You know, so I'm going to deal with some whole person I'm going to deal with.
So what if I something like what?
I was going to go look to work, but I not get through. I'm tired right now, I just want to go hold a bed and get what to eat.
Man, that fool me, you know. Maybe I can go work out with a man and then I want to tell me. Can't just talk to me and say, me, your friend.
No, man, me go check, man. But he must say, he nah nothing, I know, so must go and do work. He soon make some money. Season soon pick up, you know. So I just go out there, morning, put my best interest in it and work, and we see what go on.
Alright, let me hear you. So you say I go to bed?
Yes. I feel that tomorrow will be one nice day.
Hopefully.
Yeah, man, I feel like I'm going to make sale tomorrow. Off sale.
Alright, then go and do what you do.
Yeah, but I'll be it because I was back my fire and I'm sick up and
Christopher, what?
We can't read upside down, sir. And you look on the chain and you feel read it and tell me what it's on it.
No, me always ever check them in the chest of jar. So you know say yes, Christopher protect us. He protect you, not I and I. That's the far right. But me I say you say love I. And look how far you put the king name.
And then how we did put it? We can't put it against so too much rain did against us, so it would have painful. I already have one on my belly in which that put me in a lot of pain.
You could have put me name right here, so. So anytime a man I go look you, him see who you love. So them back up.
Answer a question. I could have some me love with us, me go print for your name in my forehead.
So how you love me? How much you love me then? You say you love me to the moon and I'm back. Are you want to do that?
That not saying me go print your name in my forehead.
Yes, God, that's what I mean to.
Alright, in my face. No, in my
Go on.
Here in a party, then we can go.
Yeah, I'm there going all the time. Where do you live?
Yeah, I'm saying I'm going to get chicken and cook no more.
No, man, don't cook.
where you going to the belly?
What for
Where you
the
going to the belly?
Alright,
You
go
can't cook it.
overnight food, man? That roll of belly.
So I want to cook the cooking when I buy.
No, man, some people can pass through. You know what I mean? Auntie and your husband pass through. So then.
They're good.
We actually not so long because I mean, I will, you know, I see how I go and she's pregnant and things.
Oh, I can't let me a 1,000.
The man said no. We'll have to check at a different time. I will have money for the machine. Because we are going a cashless system, so we're not on cash.
Oh.
Just buy food, put it in the house and do something.
Yeah, no, can't give me them to go.
No, not really. Not really. But we could handle face to me, we could get a pound and call me. I care we go turn it. Put it in a pot and turn it around. Yo, daddy, that full belly.
You don't like that. Don't come with that.
Well, you don't. Listen now. I can get a look of sugar too, and look of salt. And you make black pop. You make porridge, but you don't have milk for give up. No, the last cut off you put in our belly so it can go in our breast when the baby born, it can come out back in our daily mouth.
Oh.
Yes, so she have to drink it. No, she can't. She don't have enough time to tell her. You limit it. So me I tell her, because you see my black pop. Black pop how much grew up on that, you become big and strong. Black pop music drink without milk.
You don't even know who makes it.
Up on the yard there, grandfather have a coconut tree and most of the coconut dry.
You know, good time coconut tree.
You don't plant a coconut tree, there's a long stick in the yard there. You just don't want to dry coconut them. This is the man that you're too lazy as a young youth, I'm teach some man. You ox out the coconut, you grate it, you juice it, that give them milk. And then you get you put this pot on fire and make it boil. And when it boil, the calm it done cook, you throw this, you season it up. Cinnamon must up there. Or anything gets on nothing like greater night. You don't want that done. And you don't want drink of all that because it will hold you up. If you drink mix it tonight, a morning you know eat breakfast, a man can get somebody to warm up and touch you.
You don't need that.
Well, I can't help you still the family.
Me hungry right now. We can go around the store.
Go to auntie. Auntie them have a big feast around there. Yeah man, go check around some man. But you go differently. Yeah man.
Yeah, now later, me check.
Yeah, man, do your thing. Alright.
I really never know that you're buying him.
Not really a family, it's my time. I think it's family, alright. You know.
He can't go look work.
Alright, you still like him father never open the game.
I saw you lazy.
I same father still.
You know how bad to bad.
Yeah, man,
You want breakfast, you come over here. You want lunch, you come over here. You want dinner, you come over here. You want cool water, you find a yard. Means we get tired of people, you know.
Yeah, and like, they want me to return back, you know. And we in a deep conversation and jump in. Alright. So let's have a go now.
Wash up the plate and the kitchen all clean.
Mama, come and go wash you up first and then you can wash the plate then, man.
So why would I not go bathe then we go work after that?
No! We go work, we go bathe while working in the bathroom. No, this is a work, man, and tonight I'm going to deal in the work about that, I know I ask yourself for just me out. I want to get a good working out while showing you. Because I know your body needy.
But I never tell you something needy.
No, your body.
My body needy, but me not needy.
Yeah, so I know you me I need from. Me I need for your body. So come on. No, we need to work for her. We don't say that thing. I say no.
You're on hot, just drop back, man. But the crab soon go the girl.
Ready, first record. First 3 days in my road.
First crab?
You know what I'm so young?
My friend them say I best crab around here. Let's put some of that down.
But even once somebody may start from now.
Curry crab, yes?
Miss Alice. What curry crab?
Boy, when this is money, you know
No,
what?
no soup. No, no soup to the crab.
When this is money, you know what money make me do? Money make me smile. Tell them mother and father to come back. Maybe some people soon come around and come buy food soup, fine. You don't know, if they are on slow field, they don't understand it. Feel nice, you know what I mean? I make my money.
Oh, no, where today?
You want soup?
Best funny money, you know, curry crab.
Crab?
Yeah.
Let's see what about it. Give me some. Are you guys never what you change for?
Me not change. Are you a summer crab? What you talk about?
What?
Are you a summer crab? You want the crab or
How much
not?
you change this for? 140?
You want to buy soup? We have change.
You have change?
No, if I buy soup, we have change. But if not,
Crab.
No, you may buy this. You buy soup. Give me soup.
yeah, money for it.
Give me that, man. They'll take care of it.
Yeah, talk about no, he chopping up. Best curry crab. Come again.
Yeah.
When people come down, he sell them.
She not there, you know. She not there. So now God up our people them. So now God up our people them. What go on?
I'm there, man.
Oh.
Looking good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
I'm
come
there.
see something I'm doing, because if you do something, I'm going to come back.
I should come wash your way through the teeth to come. I'm going to lay. No water and come.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm there.
Alright. You know, there's a woman there, that's true.
Yeah.
The son are gone up, man, because she's pregnant and she's miserable. But soon come back, can't spend on 2 days there.
For sure, man.
You know it go?
Yeah.
Come inside, mama. Yo, what's up? I will take a beer out of the fridge. We have 2 beer in the fridge and so 1 beer in there now.
I'm not going in the fridge, man. I'm not going there. I just bought pan, I'm going to take out. I'm not going in the fridge.
I'm not
You come here and see somebody around now with this thing, but I don't know if I'm both or what. I don't see. But if I somebody take you out of me, I find them and I can know. I don't know.
There's a beer thief around the place now, but I don't see nothing, you know. Anytime I catch 1 person, you see that shovel here?
Yeah.
So me like somebody will give shovel here. Then go pay the price. Because never me catch a thief, what you see. Anyway, that good. Now start word.
Alright.
Now start word. Alright, so you soon have to go up on the road, you know, but go and wash your wash.
Alright.
But you don't wake up the yard because water bill not free. So you have to pay the water rate.
Yeah, man.
Wake up the yard and not done.
Yeah.
Alright. Let it go.
Whatever. Today I'm gonna wash some plate. You know, so someone said talk, not even talk to you about, like say to you, what people say, ask you a question. You know what I mean? You ever like when time you sell back in the days, like feel whole day and get not even 1 customer? And going through to whole week, no customer at all?
So yeah, try to knock on one for you.
Nothing at all.
Jesus. I don't even fit all this, you know. I don't even remember because I have so much in my head. You know, so I get one dream boy, yeah?
Pardon?
Yeah, my dreams is somebody close to you try to hold you down. And according to your dream, I tell me if you tell you, you know, say if you got one physician or something, not Oberman, no, because I don't believe in Oberman. You know, them man, they will help people like a one pastor or something. I don't really go in places, something I really know. But I wait, like the person I mentioned just tell me, say, if you tell Brittany, say, if you go get himself look more because somebody I try to hold him down. Somebody say, I must succeed in my life and they don't want you to succeed, so they want to hold him down. So then if you go look for yourself for other day, if you tell a girl, but true me, I'm so busy, I can't remember. But then if you go get yourself look about.
How you say to me? Like seriously, so wait then, who don't really would I want see me fall after I work so hard for everything that I have? Somebody would really put hand on me?
Tell you the
You
truth.
hard to believe, God no.
If you tell you the truth, no girl, that's why I made you tell you, say, if you have make money, no sure you, because as soon as they see you start put on like a weight or buy something, you go and bring it down. And same thing they try with me, you know. And I start just like my mother. So if I start just like my mother, nobody mess with me again. But somebody work something for you, so if you forget to check out, and I know everybody go want to see your eyes. Maybe I will see somebody I try to have a sale. You understand me? Maybe I can somebody close in your family.
But only one person,
friend.
only one person close to me, I'm a friend. She's the only person.
I don't know what I'm not saying. I'm not putting no words in your mouth. We just have to tell you what you
But
do.
to be honest, I'm not feel sure that that too. Trust me.
No, I never
I'm not
say
around a
she.
lot. No, I never say she, but others are saying I think she.
Well, when I go in place, we know who because once you get yourself checked out, eventually the person will check you out and will tell you how much put hand on it. So
You need to do that, trust me.
Yeah, you can check out man.
Alright, thanks again, yeah?
Yeah man.
Right, you're afraid to walk at night. Remember you must meet me here.
No man, everything good. Just like that, isn't it?
Alright, come along.
Alright.
Oi. I'll go on now. They are going one them. Oh God.
Want you?
Oh, hold on. Set them up come from over earlier.
Don't your face look so.
You can't believe say we go up on the road and I only 3 grand make.
3 grand?
How much you make?
Why no say 100 grand make today?
100 grand?
Why me to say? Me don't know
Business kick off fast though.
me want never tree brain or what. But people are buy crab like a hell. Yo, right now me nice. 3 grand I make. Well, maybe I should entire that soup. Mama say good while out there make soup in the could it tear that soup now.
Me I say now, I go with Ali, right? And Ali tell me say she get a dream about me. A dream or a vision, something like that. And she must say I say somebody must have a hand for me. And she say me need to check out myself. And she must say I say somebody have a hand for me. But me I say, who could have a hand for me after I work so hard? He already know me and I say maybe are the people who I lease the land from. I try to bring me down. But me I think back and I say, why they would have try to bring me down and me I make them make money? Said you can I pay them a month time. And me I think if I want my kill or something. And next thing, say, I'll tell me say I need to go check out myself. So I need to go to a physics man or whatever I want name. I want pastor. If they tell me what really wrong with me or who have the hand on me. Because you know, some God in the place there, they must spill out everything, you know, this is one bex, you know.
You believe me on listen there, girl? Me don't like them listen there. Nobody no have no hand pan. You don't follow that the girl there. You see she I'm mixing why you mix up in a them listen there now.
Me not think
And that him a try do. And I want good friend that a good limit tell you that the kind why you top sell out the kind you want this spot. You can't believe people nowadays, you know.
if she never want me to do that work the first start, she only give me a pot for start.
But even get bad mind and no answer look how much money you da make a good girl leave now. But anyways,
she still have more money than me.
You know no money now. Remember so many have no money now you help me. So like you know no money now. You didn't have to bother go sell nothing. Me will pay rent, buy food, do any little thing you want you know. Cause remember say when me ain't have no money.
How you turn out to be so great?
Now you used to help me if you say me have a kid, somebody remember where me I come from. Remember saying how long now? About 1 month, 2 months your parent for straight now you say no. So me I say me can must give a favor now and do about the same.
But the same I can do but I still need to go check out myself.
You need to go check out yourself. Where you go check out yourself for? Good you go out there man you know and then your heart tap walk or
my heart out of pork.
when you look you have no lungs in your body because you say you love sell out lungs and something.
Bro, we can't have this conversation right now. Look.
Let's say don't have them listen there in your
Me
mind.
need to go rinse
You
off
need to
myself.
go
Wash off
check the
some
place
crosses and sadness off of me. So, may we talk?
Go on, see. Yeah, go up over one. Jesus Christ.
Emmanuel name so sweet. Jesus name so sweet. Emmanuel name.
Jesus Christ, stop right there! Stop right there! Somebody I walk over upon you. What? Somebody I walk over upon you. And me I tell you who right now. You see same girl we are selling crab beside her you? She I walk over upon you if you don't make no money.
Somebody else sell crab beside of me.
Don't worry yourself. She I walk over upon you.
But I'm
so
best friend that. I don't think she would have do that.
Yeah, we are going to do. They'll give you some salt. Drop in a one beer and give her. If she feel a way, she do it. If she not feel no way, I know she. And ball out for her confess. Go on home.
Me
Go
can
on
use
home.
with some sea salt me fi use. Can use any salt.
Any salt. Go on
Alright
home
then.
and check me back in next 3 days.
Next 3 days.
50,000 I charge you.
Jesus, 50,000. Make me see what I make so
Go
much
on
money
home.
now.
Spin the road before you go on home. Go on home now.
Jesus Christ.
Boy, yeah, thanks to carry out my pot for me.
Girl,
Appreciate it. What that you do? A drug you take?
you mad? Girl, I want nutrient salt and beer.
Salt and beer.
Salt and beer, girl, this is
Ah,
bad.
let me try.
I just want to put little salt tonight and drink it come down here so. I'm just saying, no, I'm going to put some more in there, man. It tastes good.
tastes good?
Matt tasty. You not bad?
Yeah, man, put some more salt in there. Salt and beer, I didn't know salt and beer could have mix.
The man, drink it, man. Bad, not true? Tough. What's it? Yeah.
No, sir.
No, sir. What's it?
Yo, more
Sir,
shit, man. 1% shall come down for me. No mind me, but go for this out. You know,
Go that way.
You know, napkin.
No, napkin, sorry. What's it? You can't stop at the bucket of shit to clot.
Boy! Brahman, more shit.
Brownie, you're so nasty, girl.
You should have given me the hot beer to drink.
I never be tell us if you drink it. You're supposed to me a drink it, ask me for some, and me give you some. You got shit right which part we are sell. Girl, I can't do that.
I'm a crab bucket if you're not.
Right eye style.
And this time I see
Right eye style, I got shit.
me go empty it. And this time I see
You go empty it?
because you know why nobody can see me and shit in a book.
You nasty girl. Me shame to call her my friend. Jesus Christ. If you empty the shit, that's a girl. Jesus have mercy, Lord have mercy for me little soul.
Don't stop load up the thing now.
Load up your thing. Load up your thing. Browning,
I'm going to my
goodbye.
market pipe go wash it up. Go with me done.
Marky Pep go wash out.
What are you?
How can a nasty girl this year?
You can't give me hot beer and salt to drink. I know say no one shit from when I'm killing my belly.
How if you know say you want shit, never, but if you know say you want shit, me have it.
You should have given me hot beer and salt to drink, man. Calm down, man. Nobody.
Girl, nasty man. You spit me stomach, man.
You see, man, you never get customer in here, we know.
How are this? How happened to you?
Let me see, God.
Hey! What's that? All that crosses and the black heart and the corruption just a wash out of you. It just a wash out of you. I'm just a watch you make it wash out of you. Imagine, you really stoop so low, girl? You say me and your friend?
What me do? Tell
Oh,
me what me do.
tell her what you do?
What me do?
Tell you well I know what you do. That's the reason I never did make no money. I make all of the money. Can you have hand for me? You. When I call my friend, they say the only person who could do it is somebody I'm close to who I really love. And you're the only person I'm close to. You're the only person I love. Because if my family, them, me not show interest in it if I even see that. Are you ready to do this to me? Like seriously?
Me no do nothing.
What you mean? Are you still denying it?
Alright.
You still denying
I
it?
go check one of my breaking them. And him say him a go make me make money. But me never know say him did a go stop you from make money. Me a make the money good and when me come in and you see only make that the money they will say, oh God, it's like just stop make money. So me never did want to
Oh
that
God,
point.
oh God, but I never go back to him and ask him, not true.
So
You make it keep on the front and I go find out for myself. The beer and the salt when you drink, it wash a whole of cross and corruption out of you.
So
whole of blackness in your heart.
You just as bad as me now. Can you give me beer and salt for drink?
No!
Yeah.
Me never know say they make no happen to you now.
I want to shit up myself from the style, you know.
Me say, if I want to shit up and I shit up, me say something to you now. The man tell me say, the person who drink the beer and the salt, if it give them a reaction or if it can make them sick, that means it's the person. But if you drink it and nothing happen to you, that means I don't know you do it. But see, they're sick out and you.
What's my teacup, right?
Your teacup, you better bend and take it for yourself, there. How you treat me as some me I treat you, never have to do it. You know, so even if I don't have no money,
Me never know, sir.
me having money make sure
it don't stop you from make money. See, then if we don't have a good heart,
So
see, me
sick
pay
of
the
the
rent.
one, man.
Me pay the rent. Me pay the rent, right? Me pay the rent because I still have no money.
Look here, but as me I say no, this now will work out between the two of we. It's either you leave or me leave. So make up your mind. Make up your mind. It's either you are gonna leave or me I gonna leave. Because I'm not steer and take a bullshit and foolishness them no more.
Listen, I'm sorry.
You're
But
sorry?
you just as bad twin because you,
Hey.
you're up your man or whoever you got to give me beer and salt for drinking, you know, and make me have your shot in a butt. Here me I go do. Me I go change my location. You can find someone else sell or something.
Alright, that's the best thing. Me and I go live together, me and I go sell together. So you get a one place, me get my own place. You sell a different place, me sell a different place. Because you, me never in here could have stooped so low, girl. Me call my friend, me you come from far, from baby days till now.
Me never know say what the man give me, tell me what to do, did not tap you from make money. Tell
I
me say
hear
you must
you.
do that there. Me
hear
never,
you.
when me say you not make no money, you hear me I tell her, me say
Yes,
oh.
you see, me there make no money, right? You make an effort to go back to the man and say, yo, just undo it or something like that. No, you're not thinking of that. You watch me suffer.
You ever hear the science can't undo? Eh? Wash up your man, you can't go do something and then
To
go
tell the
back to them.
honest truth, me not gonna sleep here tonight, you see me? Because I'm afraid you get up in your sleep, even though you're sick, you get up in your sleep and do me something. Me have to watch me head back. Me not get back close to you anymore. Me, goodbye. Try help out yourself. If they find another man that just so me come in funeral and have some food and drink soda. Later.
You know, I have to go to sleep.
Goodbye.
Yeah, man. May I tell you, how beer things are going. Every time I buy one beer, my friend, buy 6 beer, left 2, 1. If I left 3, I come back on to 2. I left 4, somebody ramp with me. So now me I left 1 in the fridge now. And carry the rest of them for me go drink out to the coming. Now make them people go and they want stand every time. So somebody go feel it. We're ready for them, man. She and them today. Where do you know me go though? Know yourself, man. You watch the news? You see Alice. They say if you drink the beer and the salt there, you're in a belly. Someone on this person who have TV beer at all time, when they come with drink again, and feel it. And I go lock up the bathroom now, me I left only the kitchen part up. Shit, it a run over. No, Jack. Never tell me so straight I go walk out. But to that job, you want to see how almost all of the beer done. But just one time I make up back and close it back. It's powerful, man. Yeah, man, I'm so come on work, man. I'm so come on the work. I'm so come on the work. Alright, we talk. We talk though, yeah. We talk. May I try to see my place a block. The whole light run out to the backside.
Cause
Tears are weird, man.
Are you drinking? No. See bush there.
in the bathroom,
You said do that. Listen up.
in the bathroom.
Who kill a beer there?
Eh?
You not kill a man. It's when I beer. Don't make you use the bathroom, but see there.
In the bathroom,
Listen, listen bathroom I use and I was man in the bathroom. Bring mother in the bathroom. See there. See bush there. Take you all that. See. I'm going to look up in that I use. You go on. See bush there. That will teach you a lesson. Every time you drink the beer them, no you drink it. Alright. That a beer and salt. Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life. Burn it down to the ground. Yeah man, we still at the studio, you know. We still at the studio. Yeah, we still at it. You know what I mean? So, put in some work. With the near, we want to get some update on it. I think I'm going to show you. Because we just put in the sink. I'm going to show you how the sink go look. You know, if you take some video, but I just have the beer work from where I get no time for you to take a video demo. I just take. Plus today my daughter's birthday and I got to go on the road and make sure have some fun. You know what I mean? So while not go and watch this here, the panel would go and put in some work and get my daughter out in here strong, you know what I mean? Take what you take and go do what you do. You know what I mean? She's them of the future. Similar to use a movie there, yeah man, support you and watch the same speed, yeah man. Cause she watch it and see how she do. She'll get better. You know what I mean? Cause she just a start out. You know what I mean? So this is where the era we are trying to do. Build movie industry in Jamaica. You know what I mean? Burn it down to the ground. We have plans to come to the Caribbean. You know what I mean? So we keep up the date to that. If it's not December, early next year, we're going to figure it out still as we go along. You know what I mean? So anywhere we are come, we go want people like from there so to participate in other movements, you know what I mean? Because we as black people, we try to build it, we not try to kill it. You know what I mean? So as we go along, you know what I mean? Make a link. Yeah, you know what I mean? You want to see number on the screen same way, so you see number on the screen, a real number. You know what I mean? So you can make a link for all the reason pertaining business wise. You know what I mean? If you have a business where you want to reach out there in the world, you know what I mean? I want people to know what go on in your business. Yeah man, just call the number. You know what I mean? And make it and set it up and we deal with it. You know what I mean? Because that's a part of the business to get anything out there too. You know what I mean? Each one build one. You know what I mean? Black people, it's time for us to unite. You know what I mean? Too much cuss and fight. Black man, stop killing each other. You know what I mean? Because when we go study through history, I mean, have certain things like Tupac and Biggie. Black man kill Tupac and Biggie. I don't like it. You know what I mean? It could have been better. We could have reasoned it out. Make money make people just live. You know what I mean? German, you don't like it, man. Black, stop kill black man. How I go on? You know what I mean? Things we share up and everybody can eat food, everybody can live, man. Yo, come on, man. If you want to kill someone, kill them and move, you know. Then at least they go live, that's alright. You see, that is it. That's it, when like with movie, you can pretend. But in real life, real stuff, you know what I mean? So like we are suffering in real life, we are trying to make changes in our real life, you know what I mean? So we are trying to put something positive. The positive thing we realize that most of the time, you know, really get the push we really need, you know what I mean? So, you know, so at the end of the day, we're doing movie business. So I'm about to launch a next leg of movie that will not be shown on YouTube because of the content is going to be too strong for YouTube and the community guidelines. So I'm going to build a thing that's going to attach to YouTube so you can pay like a monthly subscription for that channel. It's going to be, it's going to call it Patreon. I'm going to sign up for Patreon because I have some film where in the mind where it goes strong in our sexuality. You know, you go strong in an activity. If it's a gun show, you go strong like Shatters, you go strong like Turtle Cup, you know, them type of something there. So when that channel up and running, we want to support it. So that will give the thing a faster boost, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Because we try our best from that time till this time, you know what I mean? So we are putting the work. But you know, from back in the days, from, you know what I mean? From, what's your name again? From the start, which show is first, or which one? Nothing to know.
Good
one
man.
by one.
Oh.
Yeah, man. One by one. About 10 years ago we start. One by one. Then we go carelessness. Then we come up. Then we start do the website. Then we start back. YouTube start do the short film them. Then we start from friend thief or whatever. We start the first one. And then we reach up and we do one here. What are them look short one. Then we start the big one. Then we start the good man. So from them time we've been pressing the fire and putting whole of our work. You know what I mean?
Dance go like this. Salt and beer, wood. Salt and beer, wood. Where part of go so where go?
So you go. Salt and beer, wood. Salt and beer, wood. Then
Alright. Glory be to the Most High. Burn it down to the ground. You watch a dance. Alright then, go watch a movie now. Salt and Beer Part 2. Coming straight at you. Burn it down. Go and watch somebody dance. Learn it.
Yeah man, so make sure so watch out the movie to the end. Stay tuned.
Salt and beer, wood.
Subscribe, like and share. Here. When you like to hear, share it too. Subscribe too.
Come on, baby. Girl, her up on pot now.
Anything will feel good.
Me not busy if I feel good. You move like say I feel really good. Girl, hurry up. Hurry up, man. You come and move like say you're slow. So wait, you're not to up them here. You're not to up them here. Me know what. If you're not even our own clothes, but shall burn them. What if I them breathing no man day? How that me do it too? Excuse you. Dirty friend. What clean up? Look what you girl doing here. Kuya, look at this.
Master kept us, man.
Hold on.
You knock me over, man. How you do, man? You know, say girl find out, say, me do what me do to her. I'll run me out her place.
I know that. I know
Give
that.
me a beer and salt for drink, run my belly for much days.
Yes.
Beer shit me a shit like a wild hog.
Yes, that's happened, man. You didn't come and pay me back. I told you. When you work and you start make money, you come and pay me. You did not come.
But to me, I make too much money, me no member say me fi pay you. You could have even ring me up back, man, and make me know.
No. Once I give you an instruction and you work, you can come pay me
See
immediately.
me all have to go get other work and maybe make other stuff. Me didn't even know where to start from.
Good. If when you're fully ready, if you pay attention to me,
You shouldn't do that, man. You shouldn't do that.
shouldn't do it.
Because be up to now, right now, if me not stand to do one shit.
No, listen. You see, if you know a licky and drink it here, do that alright.
But you see, a new
Because-
trend, everybody a try beer and salt. What am I fi do?
Beer and salt is running belly business when they not use style to drink
Right
beer
now, right,
and
that's how
salt.
my belly hot me too, you know. Me I come go up on my
No,
knees and
no.
see if... Me I come go up on my knees and see if she can pick me up, you know.
But you still want me.
Me make... If me start again, me make you know what I go. Because right now, me I feel one
Alright.
pain and belly or
And
something. Me
the
don't want
next time you
shit up.
come back here for help, and you get through, I don't want.
You should do that, master kept us, man. Because look how much money me could have... No, me not have nothing. Eh?
Your fault, not my fault.
Oh. You can go up on my knees, yeah, man. Why did you do that?
Duppy. What? Duppy. They said Duppy for me. Come on, some of you. They said Duppy for me, and you know for me, I don't come and then sleep with you, and Duppy come and I'm sleep more. No. Really, sir, no chance. Duppy. One tear. Me not make bed and sleep, and Duppy come in for me.
Oh, Duppy, girl, Duppy not real. That's our food.
He Duppy come turn up so. I'm a seeing go so. I don't know what else happened. I scream or run out.
Go and show me. You're lucky you're gonna come catch me like when me and friend and
Come over there.
go and show me. I'm brave for myself, girl, and stop going so. Go Duppy. You have big money and feeding?
See over there, and I can't go back over there, and I'm phone there to run left, and
You say no, here,
listen, I was there when I come down, now almost bite me up.
You tell us if you pray when you're in your bed.
But Ali, I pray,
So why you come tell me about Duppy?
me pray.
Hello, let me tell you something. No one can do you once God have me hand for you. Here.
You come with me or not?
Come on.
Me don't know what else, me tell us to come and I'm sorry.
But Duppy, me backside. You can't move with me.
Ali, I'm not telling me, I just, me not telling no lie. And I'm asleep with you. I'm going, come in there, go and go look. Look on their bed and over the curtain them. Look over my bed corner.
I just call me for who's Duppy? Where Duppy there?
Ali, you're right, that's why something did turn up, Ali. I'm
So I'm
not
not
telling
seeing.
you.
Come in and see
You
him.
see a pull his sheet and a go on with himself, Ali. Open up the
Girl,
curtain.
no Duppy no. I'm a dreaming there. I'm come over here with.
Lady and Jim, Ali.
Come take up your phone, him.
Come on, you can buy some. Sorry.
Where are you from?
Scary. It's scary. Ali, don't be going with the money, Ali. I don't know money, Ali.
Duppy gone with your
I
money.
owe the money me I left back in the Ali.
Girl.
I
Girl,
don't know what else to do.
listen.
I don't know what
No
else
Duppy
to
no.
do.
Listen. No Duppy no come over here. I lie somebody do that. There's no way Duppy
So who could I do that, Alia? Who could I do that to me, Alia? Who could I do that?
Girl, there's no way
What me
Duppy.
ever do to people in our life, Alia? What me ever do to people in our life? Alia, look now, Alia, money no day nature. Alia, money no day nature. Look now, man, look now. Looking at two jar, them no money no in there. You look. Yeah, if we have 50 Jesus Christ, 50 Jamaican dollar left back up, could you little silver them, Alia?
But pretty Duppy
Me
can't
want
thief
no,
money.
Alia.
How Duppy go thief money?
Alia, me not even know what else to do. Me swear to God, no know what to do,
Go on
Alia.
your knees and pray. Alright, no.
Alia, me pray last night,
Listen.
Alia.
If you're not comfortable here, so I go fly out back out of the country. You see me? So you know what I go do? I go get a key for my place. I now bother my family then come stay over here. You want to stay up there?
Me understand that, Alia, because the place is haunted, Alia. Duppy there, Alia. And you come like say Duppy go with the money, Alia.
How Duppy go with the money?
Me don't know, Alia, but the money gone, Alia. Me left the money in a desk last night, Alia. Last night, Alia, me get up and go bathroom last time. Me check back in Johnny money, the day night, right? That's so $50 left back, Alia. Look how silver, Alia, what that can do, Alia. Not even that can be a fear if you go nowhere, Alia. What me I go do?
Wait, you call me name too much, huh?
Me stress alright, and I don't know what to do. Me swear to God, me don't know what to do, Alia.
Listen me. Call me over here. Me I fly out by tomorrow morning. So pack up your things them for today.
Me a pack it for now.
Yeah, but me I go for my business now. Me now wait for you to pack you know.
Alia, no left me here in the hand.
No,
Alia,
Duppy, not there, yeah, breathe.
Alia, me not turn it. Alia, if you not stay with me, I pack. Alia, me not turn it. You're so haunted, Alia. Me can't do it.
See back then, take it out, take it out.
Alia.
Talk.
I don't know what else to do. Me I move with the box here. If I not, we come back for you or something there. What are you doing? Just move with this box here. Come on. Me and I call her name 1 million times to me.
Are you funny for them, girl. You know, so me I stick your more and you far away. I'm make yourself put the car.
No, sir.
So are you must stick on video now? Wash your hand and I say put the car. What kind, girl?
No.
What nice, girl. What nice.
Nice.
Yeah, you know say you see girl go was with daughter crab and now washing your hand with video come out with. You see my while ago and do race, I take me to out my knife, stab him and me see run out. He come like you know me do it. I lucky me. He come like he go through some bush. I said right now all of my head happening, all of my hand everything. Cause you know me do all him. Most thing go sell all food, put the crab now, food, put the belly start run. Me have just strength to yeah, when me come on man.
Alia,
Hello, what man?
me there, you good?
Yeah, man, you're good.
Me there, going to take care of your place still.
Yeah, I more know how done how my furniture, them and my things, them are going.
Them alright.
Yeah,
I really
clean
like, yeah?
Yeah, clean the place.
Then the most, as me say, me I take care of the place. I really love the view and everything up here. Everything just nice about the place. Trust me.
Oh, that more I know still. So you're alright.
Yeah, me alright. Much me live up here. Come
What?
on.
Girl, when me come here, you see if we can have a room that I set for you. My mommy, I want a room in a 9-bedroom, you know.
I don't know one.
Yeah, so as soon as I come, we fix you up well, good man.
Alright then. So, where you depending now? Where you do?
Yeah, we not do nothing.
Oh.
Just say I go look for a look for a job. So me call you back tomorrow.
Alright then, look more.
Alright, take care of yourself.
Alright then, same to you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go.
How are you? For all of this for
Don't move on yourself.
Drink it.
How are you?
Not to worry about that. You know, I make you see amount of me have to there. I have whole thing there. Drink it. Drink.
No, yeah.
Drink. Drink. Ah. Drink. Drink. You want to leave? Drink it. Be careful. Slow. Don't spit out now. Drink salt and beer. You feel it in there? Not evaporate in there.
What is about?
You can't help with that. You can't help with that.
I use the bathroom.
I cannot help you with that. I'm sorry. Drink more.
I use the bathroom.
Drink more. Drink more. Really?
Why use the bathroom, no man? Let me go, no man. Why use shit that place, no man?
You must shit up. Shit up. What do you think of this one? Shit up. You must tell you can't hear this shit up.
Let me out of this.
Shit up.
Let me out.
Shit up in here. Shit the pan. Drink more.
Drink no one, no more.
You want your shit. Drink salt and beer.
Me no want it. Me no want it.
You ready for shit?
Me belly. Woo! Oh, me belly, me belly, me belly. Oh, me belly. Woo! Ay. Woo! Baby, I don't. Woo! Woo!
Release it.
Stop it a minute.
Keep doing that, no? Remember, what goes around comes around.
So who you be? Who you be? Come let me out of this, no man. Let me out of this.
Wagwan, so okay.
Go on, DNT.
Oh, yeah.
You good?
Yeah, man, I'm good.
We are for a man. I'll sign off anytime I know, you know. So where are you dealing?
So, I'm there so I can check the door.
Go on.
I'm more makeup for my friend.
Oh, one idea then. So what you do? You buy some soup? Or you bake some soup?
I take some soup. I don't have no money to buy none. You give me something?
You know, say anything you want me have to give you, because every day I come check for soup. You know when I have soup, they love it so. You get soup, lunch, breakfast, and dinner.
I love the soup then. You say soup are called them sweet.
You want dumpling night?
Yes, olive.
Actually, no mind, it burn you.
Thanks.
I don't know cover feed, because it's cool like cover for man there.
Alright.
You can check you later still.
Make sure.
Every time I check your door, I don't know why you always sit though.
But this time not sit down.
Alright, I will check you later. I will check you later. Alright. Yeah.
Brittany, girl, I'm home. Yeah. What have I pulled this up, please? Oh, yes, I smell so, Brittany. Come now, let me explain that. Let's go ahead and pull this up, please. What are you doing, son? You're asking, oh, Jesus Christ. Yeah. Oh, you look so hot here after me done talk to you on the phone. And somebody come up here, come. I don't know why never knock somebody knock me out and tie me up and give me think of salt and beer for drink. I'm feel my belly start hotness. I suppose to do that be players. Bring you do let me come and help me. So and this one would have video me. Sorry. See, the person said it's not that good. I don't need to do a pull yourself. Why? I come back early, you know. Because I never come back. Why? But I never come to Joe. Really come clean up yourself. Come now. I don't want to hit up body on here. Come clean up yourself, girl. Boy, me belly. Hi. Come and body on here. Come clean up yourself, Brittany. Go in there, bathroom. Go on.
Oh, I go and call. Well, I say I go and do things though.
Do things, Zaka.
Me say you don't read a woman.
I don't really read a woman, you know. I just have to look over and come on some money. I just tell them what to do. Not really real. I just show me want the money and them not have nothing to do with their money, so I just...
I like scamming?
Yeah. I don't take money same time for them, you know. They do anything to do first.
Come, I'm just going to check if you really get the gift. Because for me, a woman gone a country, pregnant, I don't know if I might pick me or not still, but still in gone up. And I go and hold it and still. So some work, I try to figure out what to do. I think say, yeah, the story the girl them, but they do shit up, I soup stand there.
Me hear you.
Yeah man, I pass down and see the place empty, so I'm going to go check the girl there. So Ronnie, because I know how good I buy soup for now. And I want to shop inside. The next one, I big crab. I need crab and them with you know. The next one, I buy soup, give me baby mother otherwise. From now one day. So I'm going to check she and see if I can get the place.
You know, see, I tell the girl what to do.
Huh? Which one?
The black one, I tell her what to do to the brown one.
Oh, I don't know what she do. I just know say story go viral and this and that. So anyway, I don't really know much about it. So you know the black one good then? A good somebody?
Yeah, she come to me all the while.
Oh. So I go check her still and see if I can get the place for rent for now. I can go and do that in the meantime. While my baby mother there up, so I go and do what she do. But just don't you go and do some cooking and stuff. But you're not afraid of them places I do?
No,
in a rock stone, I'll be a snake and them places go and them places my time. No?
No, sir. So I go and deal with if you collect the money.
But if you see one snake, no, because like a cashala ball, you know, you run, you know.
No, sir.
If you sting your backside, you're alone up in a bush. I want you cutting down to them top and say they ends out and you make money. You know what I mean? So I say, oh, you make money.
You have to just put in your work to make some money, man. I wouldn't know really, I have to just do it.
Alright. Well, if you do things and it work, if you say things, wrong things, and that work out for good purposes, just do it if I can have nobody still. Exactly. They are like an advisor. They don't see it that way, they think a science might come, but look like you advise them then. That's what you say? So, well, advice is always good. I give enough advice to you know. Sometimes I get advice, I get pay feet, but I don't get no pay feet. But anyway, I pass through still.
Alright, look at me.
You go check your mother. and then go back on my block. You know what I mean? So for me, you know see my cousin?
Which one?
The next one is come to my yard. Until I make him stop himself. The boy, every time boy come to my yard, the boy I drink up my beer. If he's a
When me not see him,
if he's a two, tell me if I'm wrong now. If he's a 2 beer in our fridge, he drink the 2 of them.
so I drink it to them.
Me no give him beer. You understand? Me no half of him beer. He's a beer in left beer.
I know film them when I drink them.
So what I do now, I just time him. Put some salt in one and cock but left it in there.
You know,
And hide in the room. So when he
you know, say I same thing me give like go on for the brown one.
What?
Beer and salt.
Well, but none of beer and salt really. But what you do if you have gas in your system, you go make a flush out, you make a shit up yourself and then wait there. But I don't know bad. Really and truly, you get rid of gas out of your system. But it's a guilty conscience. It's a dangerous thing. So when we get a look or pinch our ants bite them and through them do evil, then start fret. So someone there for somebody do something to me and the ants bite him. She don't see the ants drop off. And think I sin bite him. So your conscience, make your conscience clear, man. Anyway, a good thing you do, if a good thing you do, you do it. So you know money, give me money, you must get money.
Check me back little more.
Oh, that's good. Every on your tongue. One, make one build up a house for yourself, man. You see it?
Alright.
Try to do that. Blessed! Brittany!
Oi!
I'll go and soup lady.
A girl pull man, just push it and come in.
Yeah, man. I mean, you showed up on the phone a while ago, man.
Oh, I pray.
Yeah, what me I say do? Me pass out of the soup place. So me want a regular customer.
Yeah, I remember
Yeah,
you
man.
on their face.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, me I try to step up in a life, man. Right? Me start the thing are growing, because the room are grown, say about the food handlers permit and how people are doing. Me have a food handlers permit for a long time. Me in the fields and that. Me work for some people.
Oh.
Right? So now, my baby mother, she bought. Gone live with them people them. So me there yard and now me make some money. Me say they put me jump out her belly. At least me can contribute to something because she move and gone. Me no follow up people. If you want to run off, you run off. But I want to when they put the band, me have some money to take care of people.
So, get that question?
Yeah.
You come to tell me a life story or you get to the point?
No, me have to tell you what I go on in the length and then we get to the point. So you are going now. Since I now use the soup place out there. What I want if you rent for you, I give it for free. You know what I mean?
No, rent. No, go for free nowadays. Rent. Rent it is. Rent.
Okay, we give it for free now. So they pick the bar, we can make a big godmother.
Yeah. So when I'm a godmother, how am I get money to mind that they pick me there?
I don't know, you're a woman is lucky.
Me a woman always looking over yourself about that. Alright, it is.
Alright man, we can get your money man. Just tell me how much and what to do.
And next thing, we cannot give up for free because by the end of the day, I'm a loan in this, so I'm not nobody can help me pay rent. So, the next thing again.
I understand still man. I just stay around my mouth till I say free. Because nothing in the world is free for real.
Oh, you better.
Only salvation is for real. And the air we breathe. And the water to come from the sky. And the dirt to walk on. Now them all sell land to say that that not free. Anyway, I don't come to talk out your ears, you know. I just come to know, say, alright then.
No, I rent the place.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to somebody come give you, and then start with the place too. Where did the patterns from? I don't want them to buy it. I don't buy them for your cash.
Oh,
Yeah,
no,
man.
I'm going to run a rent it.
You rent the pot, everything?
We
too?
rent the pot.
Alright.
So, you know, say every month we have money.
But I just want to see your face to face, so me could talk, and then me call back on the phone and I tell you I can drop a money. Tell me, make up a price, so I call you. Maybe we can deal with it.
You can pay 50,000?
No, think about the price first for think about price. You don't so rush now. I don't want so much money.
Alright then.
Think about one poor man.
I might think about it at a higher price.
Think about a poor man. Think about a poor man.
Alright.
Trying.
40 good?
No rush it man. This one not just calm down.
30?
Get near to it, but wait man.
20?
Yeah, that can't go on.
You know what?
25 good. 25.
No, go on.
More card. Yeah, more card. Yeah man, more card. More card. Alright? Thank you still.
25.
Yeah, no, anybody else link you, tell them say I have somebody want you ready.
Alright then, 25 it is.
Alright, so I'm going to make her get your money. And then we will just get the pattern and start running. Because them have a bad image for the woman, them know. So me think so while me are running, they will overlook it. Alright?
Overlook. If you overlook alone, lock the girl on the way out, please.
Alright, I don't want no man coming to come grind me off.
Sorry, go on.
Mother,
Morning.
morning. You know, say I come to you because I have man problem.
Man problem.
I don't know what to do. I have a man, but he's lazy and he not work or nothing.
Alright. I'm going to give you something. Every time I go see him, I will buy your clothes.
Every time I see him from my clothes?
Yes.
So what that I go do?
For yourself.
Alright.
Your boss. Yes. Time I see him, it will be.
Wait for me?
Yes.
So what I go do to me? You not go do me nothing?
No, you not doing nothing.
Oh.
Just I'm going to have him more.
If you just rub you up
Yes.
for me. Alright.
And you know they're sexy walking there.
Yeah.
I can't do them the sexy walking there because I'm an old man now.
Alright.
So do them the sexy walking there in short backy rider. Yeah. Do that.
Alright then.
And me I charge 100,000.
Alright.
After the work done,
You get 100,000
you carry the
pound
money
here.
come.
Alright.
Alright. Can't go now.
Alright. Yes, sir.
Alright.
Oh, we go. Yeah, yeah.
Wagwan, Soupy.
Wagwan. How you deal with?
No, so I can look for you there. Come beg your money, come on, go buy something.
I checked for you last night and I don't see you. Not you do a call and a knock and I can't hear you. No sound.
But that's sleep, man.
No, but after I come back, I rally back. I come to me in there, and I laugh, if I laugh. And
You hear me laugh?
Yeah, but if
Sure.
you hear it's why I laugh.
No, sir, no, me ain't a laugh. Me ain't a laugh.
Oh, it is.
Somebody else ain't
Maybe
here.
I laugh in your sleep then, man. You soon like I laugh. I come to laugh and sleep. But anyway, let's say one now.
How money more? Come on, go buy something.
I don't want no soup.
No, no soup to them. Tell I soup.
Alright, so you know, say one thing we say one, there you go, one thing they kill whatever, appetite, alright, so they want to know.
Money more.
Alright. No money for mine still, but we can look at change pan. I mean, if you go check it.
Alright.
But we want forward back.
Thanks. Alright, later,
There, them have something for you. Check up our next shop there, we don't get something up there.
Alright.
But check them back before you go, man. Want to look at hug fire or something, yeah?
Alright, later.
Go on and come. No stand long up there, no chat to nobody, you know. Man, why you? On the hustling. Yeah. Sell out the soap. Oh, you forward.
Yes, I come back.
You get jerkers.
Yes.
I'm resting up to mix with the jerkers. That was jerk one. Jerk chicken and something. Oh. That can meat look a body. So what that green something for? You know that green something?
A plum, I just love plum.
But that cut nature, you know.
It's the nature, it's in the year.
The gear nature.
With salt.
That means not that you tell me every time.
You say I come and I'm stay up.
Because you go to bed too early. Me a lock.
Early bird.
I go lock the shop early today before you close the yard and come check you out.
You sure you come check me?
I come check you. I say I lock down early today. I try to make money in front. I look up there for you go home. Alright. What's going on the man down the yard there, you know? Because they look good when you say I'm a cousin named Davy. I come and look for you.
So then go on, man. Nobody attractive man, no go for
No, but your cousin, you say. When I look for your house. Cousin and cousin make soup.
Yeah, but not me and that one.
Alright, then come check you later.
Alright.
But eat a little chicken and meat, have a little body. We work out the jump plum out of you later.
Alright, no problem.
Alright. Come through, yes, from a little cottage in the gear, I go to life with you. Moment, sell us some soap now.
What kind of soup?
We have good soup, yeah. White squall up on your mouth, that means hungry, a good food, this a full of belly. What you say? Ah, God. Left the cup them down so to the back side. No move yet. Left in the car.
No, kind of. Seriously, I still like all this. Let's boot them.
Sorry to keep you waiting. Sorry to keep you waiting. Anticipating. Tell you say I'm betting. Yeah. Alright.
Now make sure soup taste good enough how Brittany used to tell us so.
You know what?
Then I'm give Brittany a place, I'm gonna give Brittany the pot and everything, I'm gonna make Brittany
But
start up the business.
Yeah, because of this system, the business almost locked down. We have to start to come rough in the night, it can't night. Me I fix it back. You want dumpling tonight?
No, I need dumpling for people.
What you want tonight?
Just soup.
Soup. You want to look at carrot?
Come now.
But then if you come, you ain't not there. You hot, you know? You know, I cover feet. Okay, go your yard, go drink with spoon. You know, no spoon. Spoon run out. Put it in your head. Alright. Oh! Some more customer in there.
Evelyn.
Morning.
Morning, Martin.
You mean about evening? It's a morning now.
Yeah, never tell me that. You know
So-
what work do?
You
Work.
alright?
Yeah,
I know say my work I go work, you know. So that me do
you
for
know
living,
say-
you know. So you can me money come give me?
Yes, I may come if you come give you.
So give me it now?
Alright. You can't wait. Sit here. Your 100,000, what you say?
Alright. Any more problem you have, just come at me.
Alright.
Yes.
Thanks.
Alright.
Alright, look more.
Money for beers.
Yeah, Brittany. Everything good, my girl. This is not so bad still, you know. We could have made more money, but unfortunately, we take an Uncle Catty on the road. Well, I don't know, she just never me down. May I come there? How would that?
Action.
Alright. Yeah, man, you can't get the money, man. So we make you get it. Me put in your account if I not see you. Because you know, so that's how everything I work. I'm going on a bank and just put you in. Alright, let me talk to you later. Come!
So why it takes so long to tell me to come?
Oh man, I smell that talk to put you in songs, you know?
So what?
There, you know, you're good. I tell you something come check you last night, you don't check you last night.
I'm not trust I'm back on check you.
Like it's the cologne those smell nice.
Thanks.
So.
So I'm come.
So how quick you come give me now?
Why? My belly hurt me bad.
What that mean?
I come period, you couldn't come last night.
As if you give me 2 days period come?
Yeah. Like, do you want to tell you?
You could have come, I'm full and tell me. So you
I'm
come.
afraid.
So I plan for you to not come outside then I can come.
So you know soon down and you don't can't get it.
But me see nobody want the money then you
Of
can't.
course, I'm still want the money. You know what I give me money?
You see your face, you're original, you know?
What do you mean, marginal? I'm telling you, some belly that hurt me. Belly that hurt me, man. And I'll peek and do some.
You should put off work for it because you say today I want a good day. You know? But anyway, I'll give you money. How much money do you want in one time?
You know, 100,000, no?
Not so much.
So much I have.
This alone I have to give you something there. To give the people who want some money. But maybe we can make it back to the city, so we get this here. But make sure say work a while anytime we get this up, you know.
Of course.
A long time I sweat, I'm not bingo.
You go on, I'm not saying good for you.
Alright, if you say so. Alright, sit down. I'm going to be there and come and work.
Alright, me call you.
And this alone me get from you. Look at Ogo.
At least I get something.
If you get more than Ogo, bro. Man, go mad, man. Brittany! Here what? Gunman just running from me, girl. Me no know who knows me have money in my yard. That's why I don't know, you know, you see this hustling thing, I don't like it. But that me yard good, as I count out money, I say I have it for you. A gunman kick off the door, right? I'm going to a station and go report it. I don't know, if somebody have a mask. Why am I going to a station?
You know, say yesterday when you buy soup fry and go and the soup drop out and then you get this tasty soup.
I'm not sure about that though. That's yesterday, man. So I can't come back on time, but I give back a soup, man. So today I want back a soup. But don't make a soup job though, you know. You know that. I just want to own a soup, you know, say hot. Boy, oh boy. So it's soup, it's salt, you need to salt?
You never get the taste.
Oh, you never get to taste it. You might tell me to then see you drink the soup, you know. I like them I tell you.
I like it. Me not tell you say soup drop.
You have to go to the door. So you have money to buy one new soup?
No.
What am I going to do for you? I'm going to give you a soup today. When I start work at school Monday, you pay soup. When I drop the soup, it's one sweet. So I buy one car and I crash it, deal and I give back the car. Then say you responsible. Drive up a parking lot, so for you take the soup out of me and you go so with you for your own. You could have, because the table big, you could have put it down if it burn you. You put it down on the ground if it burn you. So a dumpling night. I build my customer base, I don't want your food too bad. Alright, so you know, say, go on the road. But remember, say Monday week, you take a time to pay me back from the soup, yeah? Alright. Can't give you all like profit. Can't give a conscience. You don't know what tell life after the country full of liars. Ja! You see, I know handwork, bless I hand.
Hey,
Oh, go on.
what's up?
First me I see you. Don't you come from? But around the you're not you're coming far from me though. You like me. You don't even know me. First me have a woman and she's a card, she's a black belt. You're not there see her. You're not there war today. But the woman of there, she left for you can come back. So I go on differently. You know, look at you come from your door. Where you come from? It's something about you, you know. It's a magnet, you know, like you don't have to talk much, we just feel like energy from you, you know?
What kind of energy you feel?
I feel energy like you like me. I feel like me in love with you. I mean, I know you. I don't know what I get that feeling.
Come tell us you like you a while ago. That's how you feel, so?
Yeah, no, maybe that's true, you know. Because a long time I don't like it. But anyway, what's your name?
My name is Chin. How you name?
Firewood.
Nice to meet you, Fire.
Yeah. You can't feel nice though.
Fire.
Huh?
So Chin, I got out the fire.
Out the fire?
Yes.
Fire can't out. You old fire take easy to catch. I see him so new fire take easy to catch. I love wood. You know, so you know, so it burns straight through.
Yes, you know that.
So you're good though.
Come on, alright.
Yeah. I don't take a digit, you know, because you come on, good girl. Put the number on your phone now. Yeah. It lock off, right? So I have to tell you my number. Press my number on your phone there. 825, you have it? 1926. That's 825 1926, right?
Alright, so I'm going to go call you.
Yeah, my answer, man.
Alright. Yes, sir.
You have a man?
No, I'm single.
You're single.
You're not
Come
for
tell us
yourself.
something. Come tell us something, man. If you not not that the first thing every time for your top up yourself every time you're fire, I'm single.
You never ask. I'm not just tell you so.
I'm not single, you know, but I can mingle. My baby mother they forward. She not
No
baby.
problem.
She couple months pregnant. She gone up to go and do something. She's single.
Yeah.
How feel your body feel? Nobody enough is single, man. It's somebody enough is single, you know. So long time you're single now. Yeah. You must be lucky day today, Jack. Hold me answer and you send a girl come. Give thanks. Yeah, man. So, yeah, do later.
I know some not really not later, but I just check the friend.
I go call her later and find out for your restaurant, the place where you put your head down, you know. I come check you later after I try to make some money in Nigeria. Right? Me have soup, and they want soup at the time you come check me. Yeah, anytime you want, just come check I. Don't worry about it. For now, me and you there.
Alright.
Yeah, I want buy. Come in, buy kid. I can't hold the whole day. Alright. When you go link up later. I soup you want fire?
Pass for the pass and I get a link, man. I know what you take over the spot now.
Yeah, man, because for the shifty when you go on here, nobody else going to cross it. You have to take a rasta to come rejuve and purge out the place, wash out the place.
Browning, I go and check out, but I know
No, man, you know you were going the browning.
I go on there.
Browning and the black train and the browning. Some little thing go on the part, some little shit and some little bucket and some little thing go on and some little thing go on the business. Mash up! I have to dash out everything and rejuvenate it, you know. You know, different style and different settings.
That's why I not get to work, I try call her and I get her.
Yeah, man, no. I mean, I have a tile it over there, so I greenfield or greenfield tile it. You know what I mean? And make the rain fall and wash your hand. We are talking about. Rasta in the kitchen, man.
So that part shoot, you know.
Yeah, man, but you're good though.
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Yeah, man. Go and run the road, man.
Alright.
Anytime you want the high tile soap, you know what to do. Check.
Alright.
Yeah, man, tell some people about it. Them pass through, come spend our money. Rasta run the world. Burn it down. Fire!
Yesterday I know, baby. Yesterday I want to talk to me about car. And I bushes me did like a while ago to do some daily, you know. Cause, you know, me I feel kind of hide out, you know, because more car for my case. Understand? See how long me I feel park up the car, I can't drive it. You see me, because people in that place know a car. I mean, I want them to go call police and police link bigger heads and tell them say me did this and them come lock me up. So right now, see they on my bridging bike, me I borrow and I go and move around it still, you see me? They say you want to talk to me about that.
Well, I want to talk to you about the money problem because the whole of the money is spent out.
So hold on. You need to tell me if you sell a car already.
Yeah, my brother sell the car the other day, but the whole of the money gone.
Which part of the money gone?
I don't know where money gone.
What you do with the money? You're not going to know if you sell the car, what happened? You do things behind them back then.
I don't do nothing behind the back.
So how the money just gone, so?
I don't know what babes, the money just gone. I even tell someone to talk to you about it. I don't know what we are going to do.
I ask you a question. Well, I ask you a question. How much you sell the car for?
400,000.
Alright, so I ask you another question. When I get you 400,000 and you give me 100 out of it and you tell me say that give your brother a little cheese. So I don't know how much you give your brother still. I feel I'm feeling business that. Where you do with the rest of the money?
Yeah, me do the rest of the money. No buy your food stuff and then something there. And if you eat and then
No, I ask you a question. You try to make me look big, like you try to tell me say a 200,000 worth of goods you buy and me alone mash up all of them there. You know buy small something. That make me look so extra.
Yeah,
what you do with the money? No, you know you want to left, right? Cause if you don't have the money, I can't turn it.
So you want to left. I'm going to do something to get back money.
Do something how? Listen to me I say. You realize I did up on my high farm. And so comes I get to buy markets. I mean I floss every day. Your hairstyle change every day. You understand? You get clothes every day. I'll fly, I go DR. I make you go spend a holiday. And them there's something that make me get money. Dialing. And now see more car look for me harder now. Other day I have to run up in the bush. I'll maybe I have to left from Ghana or a town. Now I come back now.
So I'm going to try to do something for
I realize that I have no money now because I think that we don't low. I try to build up back now. And you tell me say you have no money. Yo, if you see if you not gonna have no money, me can't go turn it in. You understand?
What do you mean by
We have to go left. Unless if you go do something, if you go out there and try to make a money, I don't know where you go do. But if you go do something out there to make money, me will stay with you. You understand what I say? Because when me spend my money, I just spend it on you in a business. You understand? So when you spend your money, just spend it on me in a business. That's how you go. We help one another when you're in a low state. When me in a high state, I spend money on you. I don't talk about it. You understand what I say? But if that can't go work, we have to do less. So what you say I go do? I go try to get something, right?
I go try to get something because I know why you go now you left me.
Alright then.
Because I can't go do this by my own.
Me work with you also still. So you eat already?
Yeah, me eat already.
So yeah, where you doing now?
I'm just going to lay down. I'm not really do right now. But tomorrow we go up on the road first thing. And do what I do.
Alright, so just do what you have to do. I go up on your work. You understand? So if anything you just call me, I go go my bushes. And make sure say not tell nobody which part me there.
I'm not tell nobody where they live.
You understand?
If you tell people
because
where
I say police are looking hard and
so you don't know that?
you understand? So just keep it on alone. I tell nobody which part in your bush me there.
Alright.
And anybody know, after you tell them.
Alright.
So later.
Alright. Later.
Alright, cook some food for me here.
Alright.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, I tell me I go up on the road, you know. But right now, I feel like I go up on the road right now to go check mother. I go do that, you know. I go do that.
Rasta! Watch out! Are you take over yourself?
Yeah man, I mean I do it man.
So wait there, look at my face, could you remember me?
No, you don't ring a bell.
What you mean?
Oh, you should just... Oh, are
Up in me style, this is the best curry crab on the block.
But no fear from them, nasty.
Don't worry about that, man.
I wash out the place and I burn a fire upon you. A red flag, you know?
Look here.
A red flag.
It's look
A red
beer and salt me the drink in
A
there.
red flag, so that's what you do.
Me don't know, it's
Yeah.
like we drink beer and salt. This stuff you want to cook in a
What you should have do?
Me couldn't not because...
No, you couldn't get the Pepsi and the salt. Because Pepsi and salt stop running a belly. You know that? Me say if you charge for the Pepsi and the salt. One cut and one send it. So you, when you see it come, you just get the Pepsi and the salt and drink it. Alright, but you shouldn't be yes.
We never know
You
so
should
that it don't happen.
When you go buy coconut tree.
Never know.
Miss, I said lady when me buy curry crab from.
What?
Oh, so are you the video that go on?
No, darling, no.
People see lady
No,
outside the
look
curry
here,
crab.
look here, look here. See, no girl, look, see, woman a come there. Who me?
Whisper, where is it? Whisper, you saying there?
Oh boy. Don't tell them I'm not excited. Here, come here one food. Don't tell nobody to see that woman out there again. The call, what she do, the uncall for. You see money you owe me, nobody owe me. Just keep your mouth shut. Because I don't want nobody to know that she pass your son. Bad for my business, I'm just get the
Once
place.
me get the soup, me no see her.
Yeah man, just lock your mouth. But once I get the soup, you want dumpling night? You want meat? Give me everything. Careful man, the bone you up, you know. I
Alright.
tell nobody, you know, say
Me
nothing.
no see her, me get the soup, me no see her.
Ah, go on and roll. I walk here. Yeah man, I have to chop myself, you know where you go.
Okay, you can give me one cup of soup.
Yeah man. I chew me just chop up some fire stick put on the fire there, so when time I sweat up, I just change my shirt, you know, and wash my hand.
Things are going good for you, man.
Yeah man, it's a work, you know. But me have a little problem.
The soup smell good, man.
Yeah man, I have a problem, go.
No problem.
What you say, you want some soup? Yeah, but we can't go in your yard, you know. I don't carry no spoon for me, yeah? You can put your head though, but...
So you sell soup and you know that much spoon.
No. When we start from man, we have 2 pack of something there. You can't drink when you go, man. What I say now? I have a little problem, man. I have a little girl and yam me out. You know? She's a yam me out, and yam me go come. And every time I go check her, either her sister come, or she lock up in her house, she just hide me. You know what I mean? And be things me I tell her, I'm going to yard me like man vice in her house and she tell me say no, she's single and she alone and I may all pay rent for her to get money for her rent and I don't know.
You have to go find out, you know, cause.
But I not to want to find out, I just know I don't know how I like this girl and I don't know her. She just come in for me so I just like her, I don't know why.
Well,
I don't know.
you're a man and she's a woman, you have to go find out what can go on.
But she and me out cousin. What advice? What should I do?
Just
what should I do? I must say an advisor, you know. You're a real advisor.
yeah, have a beer and the salt this side and you have to use.
I stress myself and drink the beer or what else to do with it?
Use the beer, throw the salt in the beer and you have to drink.
You think that will work? She will give in to me.
Of course. We mean if that all work.
Alright then.
Alright, thank you for your food.
I got to take your advice, but now I'm about to drink it.
Just listen to me now, cause
Alright.
me nah let you down, man. Alright, look more.
Alright. You didn't care for nothing.
Yes.
Yo, let's say I got one. Or if I do it, I'm not going to food in public, and I'm going to back to understand. Or if I do it. Alright. Let's go on and come here, man. I'll collect a piece of money, man. I think I'll get more, the money more.
Alright, you. Rasta.
Go on. I bleached by a whole night last night.
Why? Long story.
Come here, I have one long something for you last night and you just deal with me wicked, make you all the money. Yeah, what am I tell you? You did I so?
How do you know you? Let's look and check it out.
Where go do you? We can't do here so. What do you get in a coconut tree or so? Where would you go in a coconut tree? You want to go to a coconut tree? You don't want to give nothing, man. I just give you every time you don't want to give nothing. Unfair game that, you know.
Not you know, unfair. But just tell you the truth.
Anyway, what you want to know, stick? You have me there, you know, but you're not dealing with good, man. What you want to know? You want soup? It's number one beer right now, I can't give you, you know. And some soup. No, see there for us, remember, one cup there. No napkin, run out a napkin and spoon. But here what? Yeah, circle later and no disappoint me, you know.
I'm not disappointed.
Alright, so just do it though. Come here, circle, you have a piece of money to get in and circle you. Put on for your money, you hear me? Alright.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so I'm scared, I invite you. Not sure.
What one, dude?
That's excellent.
You know, some me dog get a beer for you, because I really like soup.
Alright, so I'll go and feed money though. Because you're up there all long, you know, you have to collect on.
Because man, me the reason you say later before me get the money.
Later?
Yeah.
And you're up there chat so long.
So what you going to do now?
So I'll go and build off on the block anyway, isn't it?
I go to some food. So you alright? So you alright, do?
Yeah, man, alright, man. You know, say, yesterday, though, I feel like some of the old one client, but me, I tell her, I call him as client just hang up, but I feel I go a better days. And I feel comfortable, because I feel hide every minute, isn't it? I sure.
Let's don't stop hide.
I feel look everywhere.
I just time. So you know plan to get back no more. How do you? What are your beers?
Yeah, what you put in a beer?
Where me put in a beer? I buy the beer. Me not put nothing in a beer. What do you?
So after you get one big money later, you try kill me off and run away with it.
What you mean
You know,
by?
so you have to pack up all your things that are left though.
What you mean by me?
What you try do? What you try do? Yo,
Nah, do
yo,
not.
go take up all your things, man. Left. No. I kill her, try kill me off, girl.
But nah, kill you off.
Yo, go take up all your things, man.
Just
You alright? You just you come back, what do you? Don't be sad.
how you put in a beer?
I don't know beer. I just beer.
You don't know say after you give me beer I'm good on a yard. You know say me try to give my man and him drink it.
You know tell me say no man, what me say you go beer go give man?
Me and the do you have no man, but he left me.
You see me and no man. But you
You
see
know
that?
somebody tell you that, but I lie me that tell you, but now me I tell you the truth. Man.
No, he left you now.
He left me. I say me a you don't know say he say me a pies no off and anything there and me only make I oats or something pack the things to man. Come out.
So now
I
you
take
know.
the beer and drink it.
Oh, the beer when me give you, you can't go down here and man take and drink. You know, fear beer me give
and on
you.
my own. Because you know like
But
so.
you see, because you lie. You tell me say no man, and me I give you money, so me give you money. Yeah. Anyway, me don't have fight. We're gone already. But if me I ever go on further, I will left you so. No matter what then I part. We go left, but come here, go down here, go work. Me I have to get some, I have to sample the thing. And I just say good, then I can know if I can stay on me yard.
Alright.
Come on, right now, I'm not waste no time. Come on. A long time if you come and say, you know. If you have your own key, if you say, you know. Long time if you come and say, if you have your own key. Nobody come to see me today. Tell me how good God.
It's nice too.
Oh, yeah, I'm not sure if you're there, that's nice, sir. No, that's nice, sir. Alright, so, is that never custom? How we do things. You see, when we have sex with somebody, first thing you have to wash them down when I batch one beer. You start from batching to the bed. Alright? So come on. Come on. Right. That was a good workout. No, if you say me about go there, no, go call somebody for lock up the cat for me today. But now when I come back first idea, go call someone and bridge and go around off it until I'm gonna call my cousin. Go call somebody. What one? Yeah, make somebody lock up down the cat from just tell them to sell anything they can't sell the first idea, man. They can't keep the money, man. Everything good. The two of me, yeah, just wash out everything and wash apart everything. And the money they make then we can take it. Alright, they're gonna piece of work, yeah. Wait again. We'll call me today, make up all the time. Money down, what go on? Come get a link, man. You know what say? What you say if you do? Work, you know?
Eh?
Because that Gina, the girl that tried Gina me. So it look like when we give her the beer and start now, our man go drink it. So that man fall out. So she gonna link me.
You know say anything me do work always working.
Yeah, I don't know. But it work out, man. So you good though.
Yeah man, lucky things that me to charge you too.
Oh man, it work, man. Because I have family, you know, man.
I say go.
Yeah, man. So now she die yard now. I breed her, go breed her before she do. Because I'm not a name, she a trying to from when. I don't know what to do. If she never carry the beer and start go give her boyfriend belly hat him. No, she belly if boyfriend left her. She don't know if it stays, so she come to my yard now. So now she can't cheat me again, you know. She can't cheat me again. Now she die yard and now me watch me and I go breed her before my baby mother come back. And time baby mother come back, me send her go somewhere else.
Do your thing, man.
What up here there? No, I'm too up there.
Anytime
Anytime she pregnant and thing I go on, I want she come build up there and have baby up there. So me have the two baby mother them different place until me can get them to live together. You good though?
Yeah man, me just stay and go and do a little work.
Look at you have put on weight since you start this time. You go and do it.
I say I go.
Alright, really?
You come on.
Here and start. Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Beer and salt is the ending of Beer and Salt, you know, you go watch it. As a play, you know, so it's different from a movie. So a plays have a different concept, you know what I mean? Hope you enjoy it, leave a comment, burn it down to the ground. You know what I mean? Take it, go do what you do, you know what I mean? So that is it. So you know, we're lining up out Jammiwood studio as we talk, you know what I mean? This so enough of things to go on, but we're not to talk about him. We want to go live on idea them and make it see what go on. Live and direct. So we're putting some work and we're getting the place paint up and some little things needed still, but we are going to work and do. You know what I mean? Time. Burn it down to the ground.